Apa to? Radio I'm Isaac Poyos from Togo, as you all know, Neho, and you know who it is. I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only authentic Mama, Emeka.
Hi guys, my name is John Demolo and I'm listening to Authentic Mama on Top FM.
My name is Reverend Salwame Alobi. I listen to the only authentic Mama Emeka on Top FM. Keep listening.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Ago. Miele agodona mia de duko. Agona mi Ghana duko. Agona mi amonu tometo kata Ghana duko blibo la kata miebe akpe miawezo. Miawezo va dunenyo bobobo plenya jojo onaji la 240 B Royal Castle Road aji. Le koko mlemle Accra Ghana. Todo lava vao miawezo. Okay, total lava vao akpebe mi electoaji le top 103.1 FM FM pen kosem akpena mi opoga aton minute bla evevo enyi 5:28 p.m. Top Radio 103.1 FM akpebe mi eletwaji mi awezo egbe kanye memenda eye egbe nye February pen kekebla evevo velia the 22nd of February 2025 bonsoir bon arrivée tout le monde mikata miawezo va tunenyo bobo plenya jicho na oji live. Okay. Miawezo va tunenyo bobo plenya jicho na oji 103.1 FM Papa la ochi akpena mi be mi kowo alo mi ape radio dada fi be mi adoto egbefe wona ona mi todo la vavao akpena mi nyawezo ke authentic mama emefa play to nenyo bobo show pen kosem ele live so 40B Royal Castle Road achi le kokomlemle Accra. We are transmitting live from Ghana, kokomlemle. And this is another edition of Dinenyo Bobo Show right here from Accra. And we are live on Top Radio, Top FM Online on YouTube, Top FM Online on YouTube, TikTok, Top Radio 103.1 FM on TikTok, and also Top FM, Top Media on Facebook, Authentic Mama Fan page on Facebook. Sienna YouTube page in North America and Sienna Facebook page in North America. So wherever you are, bonsoir, bon arrivé. Welcome to another edition of Dinenyo Bobo Show right here from Ghana. Our studio, I feel email transmitting to me. Miawe is a lot to the lava vow. Oyombe authentic mama. Wanaka jegome to gatonya vasega enyi eyata to kwenyebe. Let's your dial log on to Top Radio 103.1 FM from now to 8 p.m. Happen na kasimu na kasimu kakefi filaya nano afimanami nemi ado tunu iwe jole Ghana to come peta kakao miechon cornele yevogbo mebe newspaper headline segment nu iwe jole Ghana to come peta kakao le wento wo degbe me aseme chito ne ye yada made bepacho enwutenao. If today happens to be your birthday, you are celebrating an anniversary, wedding anniversary, or whatever, send a message to Authentic Mama. Now, 0244 066752. 0244 066752. 0244 066752. Mark the message. You kata now. Nanye benedridam. Ta no bama. Text or WhatsApp 0244 066752. Ne madogbe na winter and be a dogbe na won on tola pek be say at the same number na do text or WhatsApp message da miakle now. Le egba we are going to talk about health issue. Miele no pocho la mesenya unti egba ya nya mekpekpe ke mekova. Eyata the health segment ele program mama egba is a major topic eyata mi aponu topic eke mi aponu to egba in general enye cholera outbreak dolele ke ochonkona alole yoyo be cholera ekele Ghana di come eya unti mi ele no pochege eyata gba ketonwe veviator meyo le Greater Accra region ameyo le Central region, Eastern region, Ashanti Plateau kata miape region ye enu ya le etodum le alonu ya ba cholera bale bobomdo eyata nenele region yokwa ketonwe na your view na your view ameseme peto na no unti mieko amekpekpe tohe adeva eke wafonu na mi afiami nu enye nurse girl do methodically Ghana dukoyame eyata no to ajema did the crowd. I'll let you know who we are going to talk to today as our guest, special guest ele mojunami enye nurse do methodika ekenye amechichile edoyame edutona nuyo alegbegbe miato. You can't afford to miss the show today, so call a friend to tune in to Top Radio 103.1 FM from now to 8 p.m. Now avanami ke nenye leji ya le phone in segment ya mama bumonao no to mabumonao be ade wintonto abia babia alo adogbena wo to alo ako enya ke la so ako pedan nese unti alo babia kelia abie na wadon unti now miato miawezo miawele todo oyombe authentic mama emefa very soon or maditiko made amekpepe afiame ke ame imiele no fogbe clear enye ametoke cho alone ness gan do method cho Greater Accra Health Promotion enye maglobe Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager Ghana Health Service miele no cho cholera outbreak ways to protect our communities or ourselves from getting the cholera eya untimi egbo no fogbe cho ame imi afonu clear oyebe Madam Eunice Joan Tay Jagle. Madam Eunice Joan Tai Alo Tia Jagle, Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager, Ghana Health Service. Special guest for today. We are going to talk about the cholera outbreak in the country, how to prevent ourselves from getting that sickness and disease. Stay tuned. Na navio ha. Na ano tuaji winto ha akpenami
3.1 FM.
Hey Baba, what you do? Make you change Shakara State to make a proper program for Top FM. You know say MFA doing on MFA authentic. hey Baba, wetin you dey do? Make you change Shakara station make I hear proper program for Top FM. You no know say MFA dey on air, MFA authentic.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Yata. Novito do lava vaole Yesu Christo ma baleke mnyato mnyenya be mimi dasi ya mimi dala Africa di come particular in Ghana nye dina mekuku mekomon popo ya madu baba na po meto yo kata bo pa mek vevio jilao snow tasio nodeo togao pletoyo amesi ameke bona egbe yemyeji egbe nkeke ya authentic mama le gbogbo baba nami po meto kata baba nami haisemnela echo apeto alofo senyo new generation bobobo group to cho ashaman yopen kosemnela oya befo senyo ya lopeno eko hayal baba dona ekupo miopete alode sia de le Ghana de come amesame ke po medesa de ke di amade gba baba na misia enye to ha mebunye pe ekezina de echokuvayi eye menye enye nubla ni nyala be is a young guy edolele de ka evemegbe kwa obemeka vale ya to mi nyale ko le eya taminye be egba amegedo ha kalamedin baba nambi amesi amekebu epeno to ade egben keke ya emi le kuwo le tepetepe sia bebe baba nami nya we pe obe ma wunya nu ike omenya no to enamia na do to nu ike eto ahebe namia mia le blanu eya ta no ojo alekwa. What can you do? We have nothing to say and we cannot do anything. Only thing we can say, Bible said we should say thank you in everything, appreciate God in everything. Yata bekomia dana maode ameyo kala belapa beta la meyo o e antoka hoyido kwegwa mauna kope untin la kwekwa adade fafade pe ga 10 minutes bla ne voda ke 541 nya yi wona jina me le clear life le Top FM online on YouTube is clear le live la fama Top Media on Facebook le clear la fama Fima Nenemake Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook. Miele clear life la fima. Miele life le Sienna YouTube page, and Sienna Facebook page, all in North America. So our brothers and sisters, our fathers, Ameyo Katal America to come and or even Kuwait, Ameyo le new Nuka, Ameyo le Onkonye Semcho, Dubai, Ameyo le UK, Italy, Fonye Jonas, Pleto Kata, Nyaweso, Nyawele Twaji. Amenuvevo Nyebe Milemian Kosem live to Ghana to come elect. That is technology. Ameyole Authentic Mama fan page Aji already. I thank you for your time and thanks for viewing the show for us. Maybe the only thing you can do is to share the links to your friends, invite other people also to tune in, and also share the links to your friends. Ameyo Katale Miakwomcho Top FM online, Top FM online on YouTube. The only thing you can do for us, you subscribe to Top FM online. Follow us on Top YouTube. Subscribe to Top FM online. Ameyo le Miakwom le Sienna YouTube page in North America and Sienna Facebook. Just subscribe to the page and follow us 24/7. Every Saturday, I'm one of you. Toyo Katale America to come and host the program here. To Ghana to come and Authentic Mama. Wana alope wana yaji yata miedo jana mikata miawezo egba miele no pocho kolora dolele unti yele no pocho kolora dolele unti novito de la no kanye kolora dolele no kagbo chona no kaihena kolora vena miano miadada Madam Eunice Joan Tai aya tie okay abadego Madam Eunice Joan tie Jagley I'm making a Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager, Ghana Health Service. Elemia domefia be ya denya ya okatango menami ne ya fiano mi todolau alekemia no jajede ano de tiede be Colorado lele ila mewu. So far over 41 people died so far from cholera le amenya. I don't know if more than that for now. I thought namnya mia ale benamia dokyo mia community nududu no kletokata so mekanabe maseniel yonovio kabakaba evion tonto ha yo in a school yo plananu dafle dada yo le motokata. It is their duty to be was a program ya, then they know where to buy from and where not to buy from. Novi to the lao akbebe nyele toaji mado jana mia dada Joan Wezo ma ape ma ichi ya mana na nyebe hoga aton okay mana na nyabe opoga aton minute bla enevo aton 5:45 ye nye guy kepo miele wana go mejem ple mi ape first interview ya ekenye first segment ya egba we are dedicating the show for health issue elambe Colorado lele ya in Ghana miesebe ejagome 5 months ago apa akufado jole dzia edolele ya no edo wom aloje kaka kam de Ghana. So far how many regions ye edoya kakado pleto yatamikpa amekpepe yava yowenya ameyo le miata pom abenes ganga wene wabakonu menami alekemia wo be mia meyo ka from me koji hadebe edoya leni wa miano mia tramia doki ogbodo eye mia ale benamia doki o mia vio area kemie lekleto be edoya malemi kakamia va ikuku fe hado novi akpebe eletoaji dada Joan bereku wezo
Yo,
Like,
akpebe mi na mommy baby wade kakli mi.
okay natan kwedi ha viene wanogbo ke ejoji na mbe meyo nye pasimeka o editi akpa o kake enlobe ya vade no mena nyanto alowinto pe novio akpe na wezo
Yo,
no be Colorado lelede nuka nye Colorado mahi nye no seko nkoko nyo ona nuka nye Colorado lele nuka ehe na Havana
yo, akpe mia chomonu popo ya ado welena mia po todo la veveo cholera abele misene kwa enye dolele idehe die doku fia le afoji dede ple enu dede alo etru
true okay
me
okay
abe nuyi nanenye dolele kui ye zigedea efiabe nuye du alo chi he enwa dolele kui echaka klinrudu oklechie sike webe eduito wo nududu me duito wo chinono me abe sigbe dolele kui kehe na cholera no de wo lame tochi alo nududu ma le gapopo eto enemegbe kude elehe wo unsehele le soja vio hele lamena he duo dolele kuoji unseke kuhele wa ya nabe dolele ke adudio kabalo aloma adudio kaba
okay
alebe zigedera ta nicho ebe gapopo deka kovado nke katon dolele ku ya no dem meola atana aja foji de alo aje tutru
okay
abenu ye na owu na mekaba ya nyebe nele nu de alo le tutru hela foji de la hie chile lamena ame
okay
abe zigede me ona minya be echi ewa mama abe blood dressunu le mia begbeto ho lame
okay
tani chiaji he de potola efia be wo yevo be organs we woji pli yo katan pena de mi
la me ke
vuha he na he wado he webe ya ho lame asemi anu agba o meka ponu ihe wa ko awodo ta o makatan awado abe no zubo fudo avain bakwa kemi eku ya wazu.
I see.
Mm,
Eyanye cholera dolele.
mm,
Okita me dolele mi vade. No kai hina dolele nto vene yagba.
dolele
Go
ento
chop cholera vana mia duome.
abele megblea
Mm.
dolele kuyonyo
Okay.
abele dolele kuyo le vovovo.
Okay.
Typhoid dolele kuide nane.
Okay.
Ekpe imi ekpeda dolele kuye nane.
Kata.
Kata dolele kude nane. Malaria dolele kude nane.
Okay.
Abe cholera che dolele ku alonu gbagbe
Okay.
gobide ya nana cholera dolele.
Okay.
Abe sigbe nugbagbe ya watan anwe tochi ihe owa de kakli.
Okay.
Waton adui ton dudu ihe owa de kakli.
Okay.
Abe leke wawo afia de chime. Efi abe dohi amede dolele long. Abe yeyi de sunwe ya dolele dota dale West Africa dugedome.
Okay.
Nigeria,
Okay.
Niger, play bubu, Benin, Togo, dolela dota dale fimi. Abe fifia mi antomi nyebe niapo mozozo va sogbole gbegbebe. Ameda atandu ndi ndudu le Nigeria ava du snack le Ghana.
Okay.
Ela be ya mebua gapopo vede ko edo Ghana. Tano do Ghana ava du snack le Ghana. Tano cho dolele kuyecho Nigeria ado fikle ame yeme dobe ocho echo Nigeria ga Kenya ko glomele.
Example.
Aha ta efiabe niapo mozozo kli elake kikeme ke namobe miton chana kaba webe na mede ke cho dolele kuyecho afi si afi edanye Ghana o edanye abrochi o ko ekove edokra anomebe ame he le dolele kuyema
o to menyacho
menyao.
Okay.
Elabe nlame sene
Okay.
ta eton du dolele kuojibe meton du eyajio.
Okay.
Dohi fome tre vide zrekazi eve edocha metre kuwoko egake edasilonde nugodo ihe odeme abeno dasilonde nugodo ma edole chacha klumozozo ya webe edo nugodo odo hedamo le tefio menyo watan klasi nyedo.
Okay.
Ta eko dolele kuo dohi ekova kasi evotulo evulo votu zikpi jinye nona echaka ndudu la fide chaka chi la fide amede chekwe kona novie.
Okay.
Gake nuo pete kwenyebe ahweto ndudu alo chime. Efi abe amede kwe wole niapo gologiome abe amede chewe ochaka kli ndudu kemi amede che akwe ano elechino no melo alo adui le ndudu me. Veveto no zube ndudu ke heduola omede ohojo.
Okay.
Be
No ame hojo.
no ejo meleme hawebe nugbagbe maton ano agbeleme ano la mesemo no du no he nugbagbe kuo he nyaleme kuwa ni ontina ke soja vio he le lamena he meyona be immunity he mesen kuwa wahwe no hweko no menya akpoko ewe madege yi deko awanuka azu jesi o de fiato afoji dede kle enu dede alo etutrume kemi aku abe ame yo kule Greater Accra afeno de vio yi de suku ya dunu ya vaya de kabe yo domola foji de oko ekoji no le gbole jaja yen la gbagba jelon medido ya ntoja foji de kaka no trasile no wa enoku glen de vie de koji enoku glen de vie de koji
because of cholera lakwa.
Because cholera can hit glomile.
That if you be cholera dolele is a serious sickness in no kodi akwa.
Ewame kwa udobu budesi ande. Ewame within 2, 3, 4 hours. Ne da foji so boy. Akufifi lai.
Sigba.
Akufifi lai. Ewame pa elabe ne da foji hele tutru. Weve tonzie na ya bubono apame be la tike wana idokwe. Atike he wana dokwi wo hele echike hele vovole unwe omebugwele etefedel. Tani umenya akpọ hechi enya vole nwokwe. Efi abe nuka ya jo. Kukugbe. Echi vola me unyi. Kema ha webe wo organs o makata wa tonywede we. Eya ehe na kuove zigede.
Wow.
Ya nyenu ejona. Ta nu ozube me efle nudu le efi heme jao. Watankpo echundudu ome. Ela be zigede nu yomi ple na dule moto a. Ome hojo.
Okay.
Efi ohemi ple oduolea. Ome ko.
Okay.
Efi oho chondudu ochu ya. Ome ko.
Okay.
Fifi emi be midu atiku cheche. Amegedo la atiku cheche jale ye.
Kutu mango.
Kutu krakare mvide. Mango. Nuke adiba.
Adiba. Banana.
Banana
Akoju.
kwa wafu evide. Kake Kenya
Apple.
tiku cheche opete. Ya fle. Ya na okpele fima.
Okay.
O ya flipete. O mekleo. Alo chike huko kule. Meko.
Okay.
O kuchida agbame. Ya lo atiku cheche opete klole agbade kake
Zreka.
mame. Ta dolele kuyo ho klole atiku cheche gbantowi.
Hey,
Eleme. Velia kaleme. Odeleme. Nyami kwebe.
Echo.
Oko eko. Yami dwi. Fifi ejile miajo. Ejebe mi dugbe. Yami yona debe salad.
Salad.
Fi salad acho. Meko. Ta yami
Ame yole wo krapodo mahi. Ome klono anyo.
Ome kule nywedo. Yami play. Yami du.
Okay.
No dwi he dolele kuole me. Menye kolera de dolo. Atanko dolele ku gede.
I see.
Le nu yome. Kemi no dwi ho den la mena. Fifi ezuwo kli dolele efe avawo. Ni wo nuke immunity meson kwe dolele kuole ejiodugbe. Kemi ele kukugbe. Nimi antomi kondudu ohe kova apeme. Nivado apeme. Mmekole nywedo. Yevobe surface. Ekpon alo chopping board mi yone. Alo agbayo memi wonuole. Mmekolo nywedo ko. Yami ko du. Nimi dwi mi atankpo dolele kuo wa gede miame. No gede miame. Kemi nimi apunti la meton wava. Hedu jiwe. Avaya no we America do oji. Tani meton du jiwe fi abaya wanuka. Adu miaji. Kemi no du jiwe.
Top radio back kore.
Albe eya megbe wakpobe nyapo asiyo mehemi janu le. Yo chome le koko.
Asi chape opete market okata.
Asi chape ome le koko.
Adudo
sogbo. Nile nuo doda ingba. Nimi aple chwa ingba. Edo mi le nuo jika le fimacha mi le nu pledu.
Okay.
Nimi cho politin bag oda si mi kanu du. Leke politin bag meko. Leke meko mi kolendu. Mi le jika onye gadi mi la medeva nu plepe. O magbe enuo jajira na amio. Tami adasile undeme ava jiranu agbugbo ni mau mekpede nwowe ega kedio le wadble ega kli agbada sieme ajo omaka trova asimo.
The cholera dolela is something serious we need to take serious. Because any party Amegedo me take bo cholera o dode ko nyomi no se kako menya bele too serious.
Top radio back kore.
The way the leg blown at me, within 2, 3, 4 hours, and then me like careful ko ejuma.
Ajo fifi like cholera nye dode heton wuna ame kaba ni asime chodon wo. Dogedo le malaria kaka na hwe ne dofi he wa wola asia awanuke ga keke ai. Le yi swede megba ne menya akpoko ajo zigeda mo bia be abele ti aton ya mehemi le cholera ba awo le Ghana kenye le yi ya me
by last year October beba jegome
September ejegome le September me.
Okay.
Ni acho ebe region wa maton ya mikpo dolele ele.
Okay.
About 119 Alafadeka we are CK district where yowe dejesi dolelie ole opo district where po wa avupli mi la gbagbaje gaki fisu ni hemi doe ame abe bla atɔ̃ ya ku ame ɖe agblɔ be le region wa ame atɔ̃ ya ba ame bla atɔ̃ ku ɖe menye na ɖe kɔ gake babia mi xe zi geɖe medina be mi bia mia ɖokuiwoe nye be ne wònye viwo ne wònye nɔviwo ne wònye srɔ̃ ne wònye dzilawoe xe nye ame ya dometɔ ɖeka ɖe aɖi namba sue ɖe le gbɔwa abe aƒenɔ yi xe kplɔ vie yi kɔdzi ɖevi evi eve le si tsitsitɔ ede dzesi dɔlélia gba ya kplɔ yi ya ku eku vɔ ya kɔ tukui etɔ kɔ va do ɖe kɔdzi kple kɔlera la ke wonɔ ku dzo le wo gbɔ
ya wonɔ xe le ɖevia dzi kpɔa
eku
eya ŋutɔ ku
esɔ ɖeviawo ƒe ame eve eme le wo ŋdɔ wagbe eme le wo dzi kpɔ gbe leke wo ŋutɔ no be bubɔnɔ anyi he buta me le ŋu ɖe leke nu ya akpe ɖe ɖeviawo ƒe tsitsi be woazu nu yi mawo di be ne woazu ta kɔlera ata wuo le adaba ƒoƒo sue ɖe megbe xe wòabia ɖokui se be menye ame yi kpɔ fifi la ame ɖe va ƒle agɔ nɛ va le dzadzra ya abe yewo dɔme le tutu ya nɔviawo kplɔe ɖe kɔdzi wova ɖo kɔdzi eku
ame agɔnɛtɔ la ku
agɔnɛdzrala ku agɔnɛ le mɔto
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
nɔvi tɔɖo la o abeleke wo ŋutɔ ne le se kɔlera dɔléle mie kɔ le akɔɖia wobe menye akɔɖi nya wonye o eya ta ketɔnyuie na senya ya yɔviwo wo ŋutɔ nɔviwo ne omele radio gbɔ kɔa kukele me ɖe ko yɔwo ne woaɖo to nya because mie kɔ nu geɖe kɔ le akɔɖi adzo agble ƒometɔwo alo viwo kple nɔviwo di ne mele careful o obe kɔlera dɔlélea within 1 to 4 hours womenya kpɔ gbɔ kaba ko ke wo ŋutɔ menya le afɔ ɖe ɖokui ŋu ko be ne dzo ma ezu nu gbegblẽ eya ta mie kɔ na akɔɖi kakea for some time now magblɔ be eƒe gbogbo ɖewo ya womeka se kɔlera dɔléle le Ghana lelelelele o until recent to ya kava dze gɔme le nu ka gbɔ tso aƒe wo kava xɔ anyi nɔ ɖe mía me is it because Ghana womekava cleanliness alo dzadzenyenye mienya be wobe nu yike kɔ kɔlera ve anye leke wogblɔe dirtiness alo menye ya ekɔe vea
menye edie kɔe kɔ vea
menye di koe kɔ
gake ɖe dɔléle kuia enɔ teƒe yiwo xe mekɔ
dɔléle kuia teƒe ke wonɔna eya nye teƒe yi
makɔ wokpɔ abe leke woyɔnɛ ame ɖe va da afɔdzi ɖe woxɔ to nu menye afɔdzi ta menye fi ma ɖe mekɔ ta da afɔdzi ɖe wa wata ya va de afɔdzi ɖe kɔkɔƒa gake afɔdzi me ya dɔléle kuia le ta ewoe mi xe meda afɔdzi ɖe nyuie ƒo wole dɔléle kuia ma eya kpli tsi ele dɔléle kuia kɔ le yi ɖe teƒe yiwo xe mehiã be ne kɔ yi o abe Ghana fifia nɔvi geɖewo wodzo le aƒe va le dɔ wa le fi womekpɔ ga tɔxa yi xɔ o ta eɖewo su no le mɔto ne wofɔe wonɔwoe nye Davi Memuna kpli Davi Bankutɔ abe zigeɖea xixe me wo to dona me wɔ be womekpɔ gatse ayi nugodo ava de nugodo le fi woaxe fe lɔ ta ne zɔ va yie wokpɔ ɖewo su no le afɔdzi de ɖe afi sia afi eduɔ ɖewo me xe dɔlélia do ta ɖae woava ɖoe wobe yewoƒe anyigbawo menyo na afɔdzi do ɖeɖɔ le abe ne da afɔdzi do ɖe doa ma etsi xɔ afɔdzi doa me edu yiwo xe le tsito aƒuto ta womeɖena afɔdzi do ta oyina gbeme vɔ̃ɖitɔa womeɖe edo hafi dena afɔdzi ɖe mɔ ne wotsɔ ɖo fi keke kpɔ le xɔtonu koa ede ɖe ko dzra ɖokui ɖo ko edzo abe ne tsi va dza etsi agbugbɔ alɔ dɔléle kuwo pete akɔ va aƒea me le tsiɖɔɖɔ me no etsia xe mie dɔléle kuwo ya le aƒea me medzo ta nu yiwo pete xe asi xaka le anyigba agba kpli toe miwo pete egli kpli toewo pete woxɔ dɔléle kuiwo da ɖe anyi ta nu keke nya ke xe nya tsaka nuɖuɖu alo tsi ko e ko dolele kwe ko demiame
Yeah, man.
kemi no ko demiame timi zo ya mi le dolele holegbe
Okay.
ta dolele atano
Around,
ye
surrounding for some time.
ma ni me de me we me le
Madam.
do wa gbo alebe abela hegble he covid he vai e we be mia hwasi kokolo
Okay.
ple de chole me na mia fo
The tin no
de de
area
no
wa.
no mia fo no fola eva dengo
Okay.
usi keke hia
Okay.
ta we be na ozube matan klasi le gboma fa adunu chede wa aza sanitizer akotuto asibe awudolele kuyole asina tacho 2019 hemije cholera vawo vado inchoya mmeka kpo cholera dolele abele mikwe
Okay.
gakele yi kwe ya ma mi amegedo mi buibe cholera vo tajaje nyenye cha acheme kanye enyadeko
I see.
vo jaje nyenye monu popo de chemical die dolele gbogbo abe no ma dolele yo ho honacho dolele kuyo hela ingba klimia po gologyo me no me de akpala fadeka akpebla ni vo aton
85%.
85% sunula ni aton mama blanyi me yakpo mama bla fadeka mama blanyi vo aton ni atan do pete dato asikokolo jaje nyinyi li ebelele na amedo kuigbo me ha ta gai mehemi no asiklo no belena mi ado kuigbo to covid-19 wo mi adome no no wa ewebe dolele gedo henye dohola me even ekpe hemi pena henye do yo hona la me wo dometo de kapa wale nkudombe yemayi me mi akwụkwọ ji ome ka de jesi sigbedo gakenkeke ya ma sigbedo pete ka gbugbole vava
if you ever me down die after covid kwa me ka down die bo onisan kala okay merci ba no vi to la o forgot the minute at that on to 6 minutes past 6 o'clock top radio 103.1 fm pen cosemnele authentic mama mfa pen cosemnele play junenyo bobobo show. Today we are talking about cholera outbreak in the country, and also my special guest Madam Eunice Joan Tie Jagli. I'm making a Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager, Ghana Health Service. Aya le no pokulemi enu eke na cholera dolele va lekemia ajramia do kubodo alo prevent dolele mabe makava ale mikaka to the extent be mi abano kukua eya wotimi le no pochu no vi to do lava fao mi le clear life la authentic mama fan page on Facebook, authentic mama fan page on Facebook clear Miele Life, like Top FM Online on YouTube. Go there, subscribe to Top FM Online, follow us all the day. Novinya Salawi, also live on Top Radio 103.1 FM on TikTok. Miele Top Media on Facebook. Top Media on Facebook. Miele Life, le Sienna YouTube page on Sienna in Sienna YouTube page in America. Miele Life, le Sienna Facebook page in North America. Eyata tepesia tepe all over the world. We are clear and live. Eyata akbo on our clear na mi to the lava fao. Okay. Ameyo le authentic mama fan page. Alo ameyo le Top FM Online. Alo ameyo le YouTube. Eke le Sienna YouTube. Alo Facebook. Just give a comment. Leave your comment. Ask your questions. Ne mahlo katanam. Akpena mi be mi le tuaji. Text and WhatsApp messages. So le 0244 066752. 0244 066752 in case you want to ask a question or you want to add up to what we are talking about. Mon Pokoma, alo number maji ado message soda. I will do that for you. I may your authentic mama fan page. You can also leave your comments, your questions, or whatever you want to say on the page. I'll read them out for you. Akpena mi todo lava vao. Ke nya yichi bobedeng. So far we know be le Ghana regions so so far me have 1 2 3 4 5 I think 5 or 6 regions aka 5 regions aka get yo onye kawe
Ashanti region Eastern region,
Okay.
Greater Accra region,
Okay.
Central region,
Okay.
Western,
Western
region.
region.
Mm.
Okay. The regions you so far outbreak hele ekenye Colorado lele hela yawama ogbo obe. We have 16 regions in Ghana now, and cholera outbreak so far is in 5 regions. Yawenye Greater Accra, Central region, Western region, Eastern region, and Ashanti region. Yawo ole. Eyata, if you are within this region, so and we are talking about this, you need to take it so serious, especially ame yo le Accra to yama mi nyamia for sanitation issue so mi nyaleke Ghana to komele aleke gota opete le social echimeka jakpona mi hadel eyata mi poleke gota pete foji le bebe amado le shop so da le gota to tututu o le gota to gota yokple edi kake dokona actual for gota ko ne plan dudu nejo. You don't know how a dolele kaplenelo. Eko gale kuflele when to doku kufle, you don't even know. Amadowa, they don't pay attention to wherever they buy their food and the sort of person selling the food. What they think about is we are buying food. Miaple nuko aduko, miape for donayo for they don't care. Amado go ha. Ame yo wana salad enye mele so particular at a salad me temple na letter na menye restaurant papa de me trust wa ame yo wana salad le moto ko nya yi kwafle you don't know be leke wash leke oklo lettuce manue cabbage manue cucumber klem yo ko wonu ya you don't know to ko yebe o misi ple cream ple to ko o everything yo ko kafra la kuku yo ko pede jikwa ever amedebe play salad le play kuna dokyo in recent time in current time like Ghana to koyama o make play na no mafuku just like that so obe Colorado lelele yo like Greater Accra region especially no Central region konwo le avu work plan ameyo le Central region alegbegbe ye obado Greater Accra it's still spreading all over because miele monso le yi voter ya imesedeka o medofuma alo ade edomia there mesedeke hado adedo mienya abe health personnel so
Yeah, akpe. To gbobe region wa maton ya dolele odeje si lechea atando afisi afile the next second
okay
or minute abele megblia
okay
mozozo yitepo webe dolele o chacha fifiela meka nyende ke hiede megbo
okay
ta nenye be omele region wa maton yo hemi yo che mifia be mohehe be o matankpo sigbe dolele ya kenye cholera heyo mi le matan dogbo wa
okay
mele mesigbo
okay
tefe si atefe lele Ghana
Dwekwa
abele megle
top radio
amede
back
yide
kore.
Nigeria over the weekend ya agbova ogbova do ya be irafojide o check cholera leme o kwa meto ende o kwa meto mpete o cholera yes
okay
tai Ghana mi abete milia afisi afihelele Ghana
you can get it
atankwe
okay
elaba mova asi nu gede kplo amo ole chachale Ghana ogologo obete me
okay
ya nye ya gbanto enya velia sibia kemile ndudu no flecho teƒe ɖeka kɔ le teƒe bubu yi
okay
elabe mawu ebe nuɖuɖuwo o bɔg ha ɖe teƒe ɖe mele teƒe ɖe o
okay
ta míaƒle tso akpa ɖeka akɔ yi akpa ɖeka ni mele bene o koe míakɔ dɔléle akɔ yi na míaƒe ƒometɔ nuke yevuɔ gblɔ be perception ta ame bubu ɖe le amewo si be nuɖuɖu ɖo abe wɔtsia no le dzra le gɔta ƒoɖi toa
Dwekwa
eya
top
evivie
radio back kore.
nukua ɖe gblɔ na me le ame ɖe me wòkpɔ be míaƒe dɔta míetɔ ɖo aɖaŋu na nudzrala tagbe ɖeka me nudzrala ɖe gbɔ ɖo aɖaŋu nɛ be efi wòle nua dzra le enye teƒe yi ke nuƒeƒle ata ŋde dziƒo
okay
gake egbɔ mekɔ awɔe be ame ɖewo sunu woanɔ be no ƒle enu le gbɔ ya me nye kpli mi bubɔnɔ nu yi le ɖe atawea eyi le atawea abe ƒe ɖeka megbe ya me gbugbɔ yi metɔ ɖe gbɔ bia be o edzra fi ma ɖo lo be nɔmɔ dze eɖo ŋku dzi ame yi ke va phone kulia
Mm.
ebe ye me ho nyo number ta
Nathaniel.
ivadim imenyaleke ya ayomo
Okay.
tai enya megblɔ na yi anukua ɖe he de Jesu nu yiwo he megblɔ he wɔ adɔ tso ŋu a yiwo nudzadzra eyi ŋgɔ metɔ ɖe gbɔ le nuƒoƒli ko ya ame ɖe va be a leke wodzɔ kɔ enu kɔ bu gɔta dzi he de tiles nenema hã menya be nui woatse le gɔta to ya vivio hã ne wòwɔe yewo magaƒle woatse le gbɔ lo
Wow.
nye ŋutɔ ŋkume nye medzo le egbɔ haɖe o le esime ɖe enye me vava kpɔ nu yiwo ho wa kabe ma ɖo aɖaŋu ne tso eyiwo he wa
Waka wɔ nyuie ɖe wu.
gake ame ɖe va be
Ele be gɔta nenɔ open.
ne ƒo ɖi kemi ne woatse le gbɔ la
Vivi na yo.
ha
Kɔƒe me nya ya kafra.
ha ta wakpɔ be míaƒo nu gɔmesese kpli nya ɖewo hã amewo ho gblɔna he menye kpeɖodzinu ɖeke eno si o gake woxɔe de me abe wokɔe kɔ le dɔwɔla ewɔe be gaɖo me enye evu blibo aƒe wata ŋde nume na sigbe mawo ƒo wa ase nume abe abele mi le gblɔa wokpɔ be cholera tso September me he mi dze cholera vu ke wayi enye yeyi ke he tsi me dza o esɔ vi ɖe tsia dzedzadza ni metɔ ɖu cholera va dzi ke dɔléle kuwo ho ku ɖe anyigba elabe medie dzoxɔxɔ medie dzoxɔxɔ ya ta nunuwo he dzoxɔxɔ he le me mate ŋu aku dɔléle ku aku ɖe me ta ne wòzu anyigba ƒu he metɔ ɖu cholera dɔléle dzi o he tsi he dzedzadzae kemi ele fu ɖe na mi gbe ŋutɔ be mate ŋu aɖo aʋa dzi o ta ele na nye kple ame sia me hele to ɖo be ni mi dze agbagba to mɔ sia mɔnu kpɔɖu cholera ʋa ke dzi aƒe ne tsi ne dze dzadza mesi gbewoe nya he dzɔ le 2014 agadzɔ
2014 cholera eva ne bia
cholera va wu amewo abe koklovi
I see. Na be me kaba no be njo me le no say cholera me cholera ha de me don kuji santa me go is one of the African countries kun yo va no mo wule basa kake Ghana mi bo ya okay COVID ko va mi boy o ni kake we even contain it ta ke me kaba le se be cholera ya mi le se ke me le central region polika mo le koji all over and things and obe no abiaba adefu kaka to the greater Accra region number wow elebe mi aponu tunu ya wona mi ato amesa na se na wo anyale ke wa prevent obo vio vie to la be de vio to kra ka hia ela be de vio is school o le ndu la fi safi o la asiko da ingba pleto and a lot of things e ata na mi agila o mi se no amenyi a mi ata for na de vio so that we can prevent unnecessary kuma okukudo maybe ma bia okay apemi aiji 6:17 got the minute we and to total lava found akpebe Top Radio 103.1 FM pen kosem authentic mama mfa pen kosem na lekle ju no bobo show egba we dedicated the show to we have a segment in the on the show called health segment kakia because of the cholera outbreak so rampant like Ghana in recent time me be me a topic ma as a topic today be me a len down so that each and everybody will know how to prevent the cholera outbreak lepe community lepe area be ma vaje ekumo eyata me ko me pepe to he nye nurse gan dometorica le Ghana o chon konebe alo you be Madam Eunice Joan Tay tie okay tie ma abade gome da fe ma se gome nye tie Madam Joan tie Jagli amakenye Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager Ghana Health Service eya fe nko semie lecho dolele alo topic ekemie chonko na be cholera outbreak ways to protect our community ourselves and community eya wonti miele no pocho egbe ye le no medenami medibe ape mapu monamia ya semenyu ebe tepe ekeke mekonawa Colorado lele no na fuma eyata asio meke bola yo asio me Kaneshi market Emokola market Enima market pleto all over the market in Ghana nye kpeleke miaƒe market wo le so dirty ye aɖuɖɔ kple tɔwo ene ye nuƒleƒe le ŋku ɖe nɔa ŋu afi yi ne ƒlena nuɖuɖuwo tsia ele gbɔgblɔ be kɔlera dɔléle nɔna enu yi ke fame eya ta miaƒe nuɖuɖu yiwo miaɖua we need to heat them ele be miagbogbo heat woanɔ so hot anɔ very hot be miate ŋu aɖui ne kutsetseawo le ma awu dɔléle kɔlera dɔléle ɖa gake ne ɖe nu le fridge me ko me heat o enɔ fa aƒe ne ɖua kase ne nya kɔ dɔléle alreadya ebe atikutsetse yiwo mi le ɖuɖu vegetables yiwo mi le ƒeƒle le gɔta to le enu yiwo woŋtɔ ne nya afi ne ƒlena nɔwo tso agbana ta mi ƒlena nu le gɔtawo to hã elabe afi ɖewo ma wa eɖi woɖoe agbana ebɔ be eɖi wu asia ŋutɔ ɖewo me eya ta enu ma ƒete be ne ƒle nu ma wa ele be nakɔle nyuie kple edzetsi hã be carrot for example ene ƒle carrot ya in this recent time cholera outbreak ya menye be na ƒle ko be okule xoxo le asime ya ne ƒle onya kpɔ ko ne dze ɖu o ele be na gbogbo akɔle kple dzetsi aƒe na gbogbo ɖu lettuce, cabbage, cucumber, green pepper, and those sort of things. Woko le nuka salad wa. Ame le salad wo le moto le gota le ngone. Gota me yokle di. Amiento le gota eto tututu yo le salad wo. Le container viade me wona sibo container me ko evo awo. Me nyaleke o klonu mao egbe mao ba pre la sima. Menyale ko klo eklonyo meklonyo you don't know doko miss opete ko ya ne doko ejedu obe cholera dole alo ebe elebe mi make sure be mi afa environment ole so clean eko nududu yo mi adua nududu na hojo mi heat wa hojo mi anto mi anunjo le mi adoko unti akodu ebe akodu ya kale enume na foi at least enwu ya maybe dolele na no ya kakia there is no enu ya na aglobe nene plakodu nene gbogbo kolefe clear dogla megblo de
No, atiku chechi obete je be mi klo bete. No clear kli je chichade. No kuchi ko do it now.
akuchi doing
Ha, be
it's
wa
kele
ko
chacha
ha ano kop me.
okay
Wa alo agbe me wa ko no do na wa kle fungbe. Be o ma kle fo de nu ma gbogbo atiku chechi de mo zigede mi kuna chi de enu me kwa atiku chechi de me.
okay
Ni le gbogbo be sigbe dono me a me de mi ajinwero. Ta na kuchi no ka nye wonto eche kwa sile ka ko no chi edui na ko velia ko kole fungbe
okay
e ya de mi
evelia
aji
ha na kle nene menye be na klo gbanto le chima me na ka ko
aka
velia
velia
de
ko demo afe yo me ha foji me le wa ni jagbagba ni de afoji de afio me
okay
afoji oche de ni mi zande mi klasi ni mi de afoji na mi avio mi afo donowe ni mi klasi nyere ni mi avio he yi school a mi fia le ho klasi nublanu ya de ka hele school enye be tefe yo he mi le gboglodo school bi ko sunu he ho cholera e ko
Top
sunu
radio back kore.
gake echa he covid he vai ni kwa be school bete nu inosi asiklo nu no si aja le nogbo fifi no school ogede wa aida baketele echimelemo alo baketele echileme ajalemele egbo alo bakete egba alo nu ijiho da bakete de enye ta omeka kpote fo ako bakete dadio ta elahemi no asiklo fokpo na de vi ohoko no asiklo cha meka le suku osigbe suku gedo cha he le miasi le Ghana echi henye chi
pipe
whether pipe or polytank
okay
melo gbota they don't have flow of water
okay
echi melo gbo le suku owo
okay
elabe zigede o mata hechi fe
Akaka.
mmeche abe enu he
Top radio
hia
back
ka
kore.
dukọ cheme wa dodo de veveto henye school gomeje school o me cho abojoko vado vado JHS
okay
henye secondary school yo dewo academy chile
Okay.
poji gake henye gomeje school akpagantola mmechwebe enyenuhehia nichina no chachale school echina no dodole school wesiaro
Okay.
da mi achomonu popo ya de kukuna mi ato nujrala okenye company we beni wa ata adopt one school ha kpobo fedeka ya kpokpobe yo company akpokpobe chiduole school ke waton koklasi le feblibo me ademiaji na meda global ye wona jane alo tai ya school kele ya now ajane wa kono asiklo le school mi apete ovi onyo zigede nu ihe mediebe minyanye be atankpo viwoji wa de sukuga gake viwo ma de ono
Okay.
omenya Africa osro ole kihie mo
Okay.
do his school mi ho po ho feel be o eya menye yo class o eyo ameyo si gamelo yo we do vi school do hi fimi ya
Abakposu no
wa
chwe.
ba post on trigger ko me pere won ta ya kule dolele de me
Okay.
kemi edefu alo wo nurse hegbo pepere won gbechogbe wo teacher hegbo pepere won edowalade si ande o mecho mi akwa pe mo ameyo lawyer hegbo pepere won gbe mecho apo mo echo amede wa pe me
Okay.
ede school etefede
Okay.
ta ni mi pede de vion le school a mi le jajara do na mi adokyo na cho
Okay.
be wachi adoleme
Okay.
ava anak pepere mi le
Ntuko.
mi afe echome
Okay.
ta mi aton ade kukuna edo be wa pede school ohun be echi yo polytank yo sink be make anye Veronica bucket ha mu fun yo our sink the school na de vi fine ajana no gbo wa ton
Authentic
kokolo
Mama, the 103.1 FM.
apeyo me hey afojimele no da fojida apeyo me
Okay.
ni mi plenu chogbo me mi jagbagba mi kule nwe da fe da
Okay.
eko he mi aple hadui ni ami he kwobe le no dade efi he menyu ho me le plewe abutame
Okay.
zieve ho ponu flela a meka va kpode ebo dada efi ho le menyu lo
Okay.
trafi ma do vide wa jredo ela benne le nkude mi afe ame yo hele dolele howe wa kpoba paganto nye unchue
Okay.
and zigede enye moto nu flela
Plela o ameyo do anu le moto.
moto
Okay.
mele gbogbo ba fe me to cho mele dolele ho yo cho le ho gake no le
Moto to
nkudo
osugbo.
wa kpobe moto to sogo
Okay.
ta mi le kuku de na mi apo moto nu jirala be na mo po la mesia ya wa va flenu
Okay.
ta no nye nu da jirala le moto e sen kube na jagbagba be efi keke le nu da jirala e ile be na
Tefa.
tefie
Okay.
ame ko he le dusio me ko me le afoji me lo gbo we at least the edo pli eyi alo kojwe alo agblenu ne yone kemi no we vode gbugbo kake buji fine
Okay.
be koklo ma va kame
Okay.
akova zo afeme
Akoba
azo noji
adonu deme.
akova zo tome plite obete zo ni akodolele kyo
Okay.
akono duduo
Okay.
ta no ba mede ho cholera enya po me kwenye be odu amede wa foji alo no amede wa foji
Anya the food.
no ya be ho cholera ko si abe du amede wa foji alo owanuka
This is terrible.
onu amede wa foji abe zigede cholera wa foji de opole mi for rice water ho cho dem kolo siga zigede edi edoku efiale no me mime mesi abe anoye doga ke echo dem kolo siga and ni ozube ojegome whether cholera or afojiko daniele ewe kwe cover koji no vade wa nu metoto akpodabe dokale amiele elabe watano nu godo de
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
cholera yo gake no nyanu kele fude wanya asitotro ke wa trole won no nye cholera echere asi achode won
Kaba.
be o ma va tomo la be le yi suedo va ya be le tie ve va yi me mi se gbogbo dodo de cho oti region be typhoid fever e gbagode e fi mi che e che dole le ho to afoji ni ha
I see.
ta atanye dole le bubu de si ande gake no va kɔdzi kaba ye woata ŋkpere ŋu no nye cholera ye wohia tsi dodo woado tsi na atike yiwo woana kemi omaka nɔ dɔléle kuwo tsɛ ma na ame bubuwo kpekpeɖeŋu keke le tsɛ la woana kaba be wòmava tome azu kuku la ne ofa eviwo srɔ̃ heku no nye ya koe nye ame hekui woase me be cholera woame wuwui evie gake ni mete ɖe ŋu wo haɖewoe woasusu bo wole do ko enya ɖe ko nyo ta madi be míabete mitsɔe veve ɖe ne mikpɔ be nu ka míate ŋu awɔ abe ame ɖekaɖekawo atsi mɔ na cholera nu vevietɔ aƒe ni tsi dzadza ne va dze gɔme.
Ese ŋgɔƒe ma va community engagement aleke miawo health personnel so mi le community engage ye be enya na kaka na wo woanye be egologiwo katã woanya be naɖe li dɔléle aɖe va wole yɔyɔ be cholera nu ke wole be woawɔ alo nu ke mele be woawɔ kple tɔ I'm now coming to that kakea emekpɔ be mabu mɔ na amewo zi ɖeka kaba ne woadze babia ɖo biaƒe miawo nu kple akpama ye mabia be stakeholders so involved who are the stakeholders involved in responding to the outbreak. Yeah, how is the response being coordinated and what is the role of each stakeholder? When stakeholder so health Minister of Health and Ministry of Health leke measures you can to me le wo be mia because mele ready gede o tinye le sese do komele na mekuye mi sebo cholera maybe news mekumye sebo 3 people have died through cholera in this effort kakenye do that sibe Ministry of Health our advert legbe o katame na mo wa senu ekele jojobe edolele deva beleke covid va ke o miabete mi pasiden o kake o nyawa cholera ha I think bele be mi akojoma akọ awodoma. Before suspected cases per day is 41 cases in average. 41 cases average. Death per month 10. Let's the camera. Cholera dolele 10 people in a month. See where? I mean seriously.
Yo, akpe. Obe average. If you have okore letide sunuwa me yo ho kokpe. Ya mame. De leti onu. Ya nye average. Gake magro na be letido me amekuru ame ewo.
Okay.
Letido me de ewo.
Okay.
Ha. Ta ekude nonomeo kli eleha mohe ko da for the dɔlélewo elabe yeyi ɖe me eɖo kɔsi ɖe ave kura kɔ me xexlẽme ɖe sunu ho ku abe dɔlélia tse data ko bete nkeke kpli yeyi ele tɔtrɔ ta gaɖo me gblɔ ne be nu ke hiawoe nye be mabia ɖokui nye se be nozu be enye nye ame ɖeka mi hekui edzi adzɔma edzi adzɔ ƒonyemetɔa ame yiwo he enyenyetawo ɖuɔ nu alo he kpɔ dzidzɔ ɖe nu ka ya gblẽ le woƒe agbe me ta no nka nye ame ɖeka ku tse la ame xexlẽme ɖe sunu woƒe agbe la etɔtɔ le ɣeyiɣi ɖe sunu me ame ɖewo ƒe agbe maka ɖɔɖo gbeɖegbeɖe di woaku le xixe me ɖe ame ɖeka mi ƒe kukuta ta numbers o ehia gake nimitrɔ etɔ akpa mi mekanedzi be ena mi tame bubu alo susu ɖeɖe ɖe sunu dongo aƒe mianui egblẽ be mele gbogblɔ do abe leke dzɔ zigeɖe ni dɔnɔkɔdzitɔwo ho wona tatɔ nya be ame ɖe kɔ afɔdzi dede ve alo ame ɖe ku aƒe ɖo yewo gbɔ le kɔdzi ele ho gblɔ nu yi he dzɔ aƒe amia le kuku la tame bubu ɖe va na yewo be anye cholera ye enumake woda amewo wowɔ nume kuku ɖo nu ko ha mie he ɖu eɖo zigeɖe kaka ne ozuba amia aku aƒe aɖo kɔdzi alo aɖo kɔdzi le aha kui ma didi ko akpo me yo ke kpla mi eva koji
Your children
your
reporting.
charge reporting
Okay.
kemi susu ova kababe no
That's
nukele atanye cholera kemi oje
no
nume kuku ogome
Okay.
abe eya omegbe no je nume kuku ogome nu ya miedu efi ha mie no wa damo wa ya va kpotefe ya mie no
Okay.
nono mo la fieme
Okay.
nuko hewa kemi echinono de ndudude afojide oyo nebe environmental assessment
Okay.
wa ma opete no wevwa kemi onya nu yo ohia memi ponuchon
Okay.
na pomemi alo afeko kemi
Okay.
alo
Community
ameyo
one.
hele
Afuma.
rei gologwe kemi me
Okay.
kemi ni jegometa kefe yo pete ke cholera ke dokada mi de afiome
Okay.
mi de dukome
Okay.
vawa nume kuku yo pete
Okay.
kemi ni chia trede nume kuku ye oji
Okay.
akọ afonu adoje klue
Okay.
abe efi ho hia be ni dada nkli amio ado ekpenadeji be le nonome yomia nu yenye mi afo wofe nu yenye mi afo wafe leke mi awo akpobe mi apete mi ano dedede kemi je sigbe fode ta mi ye va nu nawe
Okay.
edokra owa film vi okpo ma nawe
Okay.
wano dede na le kojikli dukome be waton akpo lekume he ni edolele he kokaka klinu ke ho jebe no ni wa nenye be dolele ho okpo o afọ dede abe le doya wo ma okpo be health miawe zigede amie da do mi agbon le koji ape mi anya be ya de le jojo ta mi wa dokli ame yo pete ho jebe no pere mi onbe enumegble ape do mi agbo ta le cholera nya ima mi wa dokle environmental health
Okay.
aya ba akunume
Okay.
mi wa dokle assembly
Okay. This is assembly.
efia hawe
Okay.
assemblymen we churches we habobo vivi yo hele area me mi ato eta tohin lawe
Okay.
mi wa dokle amesia me
Okay.
eya ikpe de mi onbe mi tondu osigbe doji abe no onya jego me sigbe koe o da mewe o yere le kpodo me afe me he amede he jedo le he vai ame wa ya fieme ava biagbe ame susio le afieme nududu ka mi duna nkekekele sunu hebi dunu de amede chekala fojida ni amede kebela fojida le nkekekele vado nkekekele de ni adumeto de la fojida alokele tutrude mereku afonecho ni ava doyofe kaba menye sigbo enu ava agble n'ozugbo mmụọ amiezo tso teƒe ɖe aƒe vae edzebe ni mi do ame ɖa teƒea tɔwe n'otsi na be ame ɖe tso mia gbɔ va
Okay.
menye Ghana ɖeɖe o lo n'onye
Nigeria.
Nigeria kra mie tso kra de mia do ame ɖa Nigeria tɔ be ame ɖe tso mia gbɔ va edɔ ko kɔgbɔ keta mia tse mi le ŋku ɖe mia ɖokuiwo ŋu ta mmewɔ dɔ le Ghana ɖeɖe o
Okay.
alo be region kele dede alo district kele dede o ta no ya joko ejebe amedodo neje no me kuyi de fimi ha mi o he zo mo he de kli nu yo pete be mi apete mi atan pa si de don be
Apopo
ni
donu.
ni achi donu
Okay.
kababe ma va chumo this particular nuke cholera Greater Accra jogo metwe
Chegomecho Greater Accra.
adan
Okay.
gake mi jagbagba even vanagbe no le nkudewi wa kpɔ be miaƒe cases le Greater Accra me sɔgbɔ de Western Place Central tɔ no elabe mi dzagbagba sikeke ha ta miaƒe nunɔlawo le region owa tɔsu no miaƒe nurses wo kpli disease control ame yiwo pete ho dze be no wa dɔ miado dɔ nɔ nawe wole agbagba dze. lagbaje.
Novi Todolava Vaoga, the minute bla etonvo enyi 638 Top Radio 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama, Junenyo Bobo Show. Nyele Nupocho, Cholera outbreak, Kele Ghana, Unti. So far, 16 regions and 5 regions. So, yeah, me recorded the so far. Yeah, so far, I think over at the time, 40. About 50 deaths so far.
About 49.
49 deaths so far. Amebla ennevoisie ke yoweku gedio le koji amo le koji elenuya obe average expected cases per month 1229 average expected cases per month a month lo ya maglo le 1229 cases. When you obey mortality rate monthly about 0.80%. This means that less than 1 in every 100 suspected cases. America kuna attack rate over 11.70%. This means about 1 in 9 suspected cases have tested positive for cholera. The case fatality rate 6.81%. This means that for every 100 confirmed cases, approximately 7 people have died. And cholera started 5 months ago. Ghana to come 5 months ago. Ya cholera dolele ya yo jegome. Kakeba kedefifia. Omechinu hado ele kakaka eke okaleji le kakaka, and they are saying be na nyebo meton chi cholera dolele ya nu le pepi ya mewa echiva jajaja is going to be serious for the country. Eyata nu pepe le gota to nu jadra as nuka choba toyo nu poto jala wache kle toyo jra le gota to no lakata. You have a duty. Nemetibe ya na eku evio no vio opometo ade okwa gota mato nelia elebe makano gota to ajra no alowa cover gota akonu abu gota to betagba chuchu macho gota me ava jede nududu aji akojra ne novi afleku akoyape mo nu plelao. You also have a duty bote peke na afle nududu le menya afisi afio ple nududu lo etrenolao de kakpe vio vevieto Obe mi anyale ke mi aplenu etrevi etreto etrenolao mi ba desino mi egbo ma desino ko ami ano no fle gotato mi ano kolo ya fle ya peme ebe mi ano careful ame yo kafra o da foji me do ta flache ezanto me nyaba me gedo anu dudu me do ta flache nu go do de la yo de na nu go do de agboji o ebushi o egbeme o ekoto ha o obe mi awe le doma ene denu go do de amedepe hoto ke tabachichiva ko onu ya pleto ko eko ya pe me pleto ko kulova to do eko ya pe me eba to do nududu. A lot of things we are all involved. Nikata mieleme eyata meka bube kolera meva gbo le maybe Medina meva gbo le Tema meva do gbo la Shama meva do gbo le Dansumata. You are out of the issue. You are not. Novio de somoyi kumasi ova ko do cover menyao okulu mi la fie me le ndu pleto ena dolele mao novio de ya amonu to megbo eko dolele. So we are all involved and we need to tackle the issue as collective people. Eya tamiato edoda silasio ma vumona na yo na bia quickly apema da sile nuya we have newspaper headline segment nu we jole kosa peta kakao makana oyata ma we kaba ame you do messages so that text and WhatsApp messages. So if today is your birthday and you want me to wish you happy birthday, don't worry, at the right time I'll be doing so continue to send your messages on 0244 066752 0244 066752. I will be reading them out for you. Mana na nyabe ele authentic mama kple dunoyo bobo kple dunoyo bobo kple nya chichiro na po enkosem to the lava vao akpebe nyele twaji. Okay, I call soldier bava ho even though you may announce a new year amojo yoyo yom le 020 mi akoko so 020 376 9562. Allo 0303 944 864 0303 944 864. Allo 020 376 9562. Miawe pokpeleko Mede kuku we popule lo amo betele kaji tane wo de kaneva hebi aponu suba mada sele wo ela ba mo le kaji suba me gbanto. Hello apameto.
Hold on.
Efonye Geoffrey agboji nsha igbe tanto.
I better call a told
Akpebele twajinam.
TV are that over Korea because we don't got a million.
Etija.
It is an alcohol prayer.
Eh mele studio time mele se hadota maybe na me dokuma ko.
Ah,
Okay, yijinam.
after next one, you had next bed, not never over Korea. The demand, them no to come. Abala would be a the let me cover number a daughter to come or do not more recover, not never or the Funama, my God, the Funamo. And no one on Yama and the Dinawi or you call the Adama Approval. As your man of the Bubu of the Yama Mabu or no one yet, we are a more couple of Mubu Branda to go on.
I don't think akpe that's a momia ichi amabu na vanemia ichi. Yomle 0303 944 864. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Wait, so Uncle Plafine Yachue.
Brother Francis, you are your young to Madina.
But I could for Francis.
Actually, Jajale Madina, not the friend. And we come out with cholera via at the Kukuna MMDA, so sanitation officers, so the MMD is our. Wajababa, I feel you link it all. Look to the family affair. Wajababa, I make sure that I'm a toilet. You have a moment, Oma, who go do in there. I brought him up on the finger to vet for the cholera. I've been with young you.
Akpe na wo ha efojo Francis Nyonyo. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Baba ready anam lemona ready. Unko Plafine Yachue.
I have to do everything. A bunch of the user. Let's see that. Baba, I mean, I'm a ready. The government doesn't have tattoo. I mean, the government is a capital. They cover that extend your energy. They don't could be the Babari fear. I'm not a man. Fear, I'm not a man. As you cover the first time, the prepare to learn the Gaya. Where's the Nava Mela? The next time. The customer at the police, the fact that the family needs a fear to better America Governor. Eta na the Kukuna Yako, the Nagipello, I don't know the question I have to do a banner. No more, no by a whole almost no problem with the one or day, that thing with the actor, machine regular delivery machine, that thing with the actor, coming here, we have this coffee and a banana.
Akpe and I could play. I'm going to akpe me when I'm popular. Hello, Apameto. Hello, Apameto.
Hello,
Wait, so Uncle Plafine Yachue.
the best to try to Atakora.
Eletoji.
And the local do not be my brother. I am not going to copy me. Go burn the market, the food of both. If we took me my walk over, I think the Wafia benefit water to a semi or any number more with me now.
Nade Lewatan was a first aid la femme now, ha, Messiba. Okay, Akpe, why don't now tell you that Salamon and Yang? Oh, okay. Hello. Hello. Where's Uncle Plafine Yachue?
Hello.
Hey, Yachue for. Okay, Medakuna near you am ya Bobo Mondem and 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 allo 020 376 9562 020 376 9562. Akpe. Hello, Apameto.
Sorry, the number you dialed is in.
Okay. Okay. Yomle 0303 944 864 0303 944 864 or 020 376 9562 020 ayom le 020-376-9562. De ususu glo babia ke lasio cho cholera dolele ya unti yele no focho aleke mia no dede ela be mia to mi se obe amebla nevo asieke yoweku so far amegbogbo le koji le tepetepe Central Region, Western Region, Greater Accra Region, Ashanti Region, Plateau yowe edogbo eyata ehia jajarado amedoku jajarado menya mekagbo wado atandogbo manyao eyata yona bia babia pedeko 0303-944-864 0303-944-864 allo 020-376-9562 020-376-9562 those sublo mi ano babia undo hafi bubu one fafa babe network e cheja babe network wo kale another wo okay.
Vaccination is already ongoing. Gake okwabe
Okay.
menye dolele ihe owo atike dadanyo.
Okay.
Ta atike mebo ha.
Okay.
Le eya ta soe ike hemiton kpore flavor du koma. Demi le agbagba jena ozazambe efi ohe dohe boha le wa ni a akpere sigbe mion ta abe hemile nu fofifie mi wo vaccination le Accra Metro.
Okay.
Central Region wa Kagbugbo le bubu wa.
Okay.
Western Region wa.
Okay.
Le fio hemi kpobe do fievo le. Ta fimio ya mi le vaccination le walegbo.
Okay.
Gake mi abia be mi antoche mi akpo mi apo ndudu okli nu no gbo.
Okay.
Be mi apo ntina antona tu soja viodo be ni dolele vai mi aton adujikaba.
Okay.
Ameveli apo ncho tefe yole ndale kli tefe ihole jirale. Mi nyabe mi apo do alawe o me de hao. Nto ya megbeche nugedele efudena edo fungo yi abele heje. Ta ma gblene nye be ni kwabe amedele afodo de hemenyowe. Mina edo nuno laude no nyabe nukele jiyeke o. Asimasi ele nu dale fi ga ke fi hole jirale ekotai no beni akpo fi hole jirale o manya ta ejebe no akọ sorry wadu afọ afọtana dojikpola be wa ton awani
okay
ayi ava kpo fi hole nu dale po adan kekele ni a adekli ani obo maka non dale gbegble fe
that me one ya
mi wone
okay
o wone pa ga ke do le fimi do nya mi le omenya ta no do afọ afọtana edojikpolawe
okay
alebe obe nozbe koji mele tepeo ebu milionu kawawa mi yona na debe ORS no nya jegome ho pokwe na nenye echi amiene no adu no nya do drastoko le ORS ko na afode chime na miene no adu apena no koji mo yometi ORS no zube drasto de kemele ke waple ORS lemewe mi fiale hoda na apemeto
okay
le ni gake matan fiele mojio dai ni le chachale fiala pemewe
okay
alo church we plutwewe ya megbe agonechi ya chenyo nto
okay
tanu na miene no kaba la benu nya meyihe amebuna le afojikli ni echi etuome ele agonechi mekli eto abechi kwo hia bene gbugbodo chitepena anu hatai agonechi chenyo nto no pogbobe o pedanye ombe enno nuyo kaba kemichi yo hele bubula mi o klinu nya mi we agbugbo ado etefe
agbona mayo number so 0303-944-864 864 0303 944 864. Allo Ayomi le 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 020 376 9562. Allo 0303 944 864. Ayomi Adosisuglo. I want to be network here. Check it out. We be network here. You know ya via kaka. We are back. Hello, apa meto?
Oh no, Patrick Mama.
Mada kumile toji.
And you trouble. But what my dear, now that I go next season. I was about you that I go you order. You have the dumb about do my bone. You never next. I never I go never I go for ya. For a Kimalayamu, I'm a Suwaramu, whenever a next call, come and go.
Okay, many me at the Toyota, Miaquenami, me at the toy, Vedometoya, Taulea, Vedomenia, Meta, and Nechi, Aquena for Joffrey. Angloto, Miatonia, Eaquene, and Nechi, Miao Muglobe Agone, Eatayo, UNNA. The same thing ko enechi ebene amedeke niekpobe dolelema kolerava odafojibu letutrubu ne kojime teda mi un kaba wa ko ye wa adi enechi ne wanu no kaba kolechi kake elebe wa ko ikoji ha mesi ba
no matter how te jebene do koji mesi ba tankudogbo
okay ebe nyaple ORS ha nene dejesi be ele afoji de alegbegbe ele tutru ha obe na ple ORS ne yakodechime a kuchipreji kwa anu kaba be echiyo ne le de abe kafra enugodochi pele tutruchia echinado lamena kaba mensigbo wa ado togbe pele mama ogbo kaba 0303 944 864 Miele nuwu yata mi yokaba konemia awunu lakpama 0303 944 864 or 020 376 9562 020 376 9562 mienya be network if you be chija megbona yin to mepo be echi de bi aja le tefetefo ta wa be ya ma eja mi le studio ta mi o me le so hado ne mi do de egoji afi mi akpo be echija. Hello apometo Bobo Radio.
Hello yes sir.
Nko plafine yo chi Bobo Radio.
Boyo le numwa
Nko
David
Madako Kuyiji
Baba ni ka akifafe nunore
Adon
abale da ble abamiano onjojudu ka akifafe nunore
akpe Madakuyo akpe now you amere babia be echifafe nonode kemiele gbogbo be Colorado le meji enu fafa ode echifafe ha de lekole
Dio le anukware meto Colorado le no megbede echifafa no kunde menyo na mi
echifafa no kun menyo ai da Colorado o
mele echifafa no kun menyo
okay
aha chijojo bo no kranyo na mi akwo tin la ko echifafa yimi no na
amede le moji. Hello apometo. Hello. Hold on. Hello. Wait on call class in your tree.
But I couldn't a lot. But you're to dance suma.
But I told you.
And it was never to school. I bought now you vaccination there. But you might be a birthday. Vaccination I had it. No, now I got to prevent my tap.
Okay, school car, region car.
Malaku, greater car, Malay Dansuma.
Yeah, at your school, Dansuma.
As well as South the Sea.
Okay. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, hello. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Away some call clapping your tree. Okay. now. That's the monko as a undodo. Okay. Merakumi ado babia ya.
Yo, vaccination ede. Doko pena de miambe miaponti lana tu do be soja vio hemihia na avawakli dolele kwewa ne wa seu ta menye be ahemoda dolele be meka gede mewo ga keni dolele he gede mola awebe ni ozbe wontu maton wodokli vaccination na nwedela awebe ni
After fighting.
ata wava ple dolele kwiata no zube dohi dolele kwi awola no vala aje do vida ga kema ata nwo ela be wonti na ejigado lejo no zube esenwedela edo adonga mega ko manya chebe ndeke wayo ga ke fondi to nyebe ata hodolele anoma ga ko manya be ile maya ta hiabe afọdede yo pete hojebe ni de Kenya asiko klomia gbo dede no pliti obetera no na dolel nke vaccination echela na kpogbobe ile nu yo pete wa abelehe eje ta vaccination bukwedu etome le tefe yo hozube dolele ka ohia le dolele ka do fie vodeji ya mi le wale ta dansuma enyanu kwadebe ole vaccination le fini are nu dada de fridge me menye problem le nkeke yo me hemi kpomi adoko la makata no nda agbesi angbo ga kele de no le fridge me hebe ni adui he da sile ho gbugbo da sile doke rin popobe ide joji ohojo tani ye adu esiare nuone johoho ne nome ha tani safa dudu ya meka nyu johoho ne nuome afe nini edu ni taus beni blona wesiane ne manyebe nu dolele kwi yo nu gbagbe yo he nana dolele alo dolele kwi yo he ni yo na zigede ejiton jona oton pona use le fafafe kwa johoho me akpaganto to antrak nuke megbe dolele ku susu obetela ometon no na agbe alo sinatere johoho no antrak to ya no dele ka kechela maku achenye de konle doku esibe se ya tanozbe enla he obe antrak lekula ome dinobe wadeo ohia be no pogbobe o di mere atike be watan wi de ayingba to me.
I see. Novi todola obe vivi me vona la gon have you dasile won wa kwa me bia de kade kaba apameto
edo
ewo nko okla fine no foto e
ngwe Mike Foku Bakau
le
so logoko
bere ko yo yele toji babia alonya kali
yo bagenya be enyo be wade afodi dure eturo chipule ke wano wade afodi de tito ha
aseme afi ko le chikule o
chikule no for you duro le area and around here the anyone of chike kulesi ano jagira
I don't know see
okay,
but if we been to go far away from Accra to Dohana Meved. Biakana Meve, I think that's the moment.
Yo, maybe a kaya unit. Bakau, so no go for Anita, so Accra.
Okay.
Where you enter next year.
Wasi, Akpe, hello, Apameto. Hello. Madam, good evening. Wait, so.
I've been a sick cow.
Oh, Malacum call day.
Evelyn.
Yacho.
Let to be a question.
Latin. You let to Gina Evelyn.
When I cook my dad, on full station for. I've my friend, one of the Boda, and you have a most of here. I've all the contact to
ke mo fima echiara no gonta mo tuwa no wa echia bubu wa ka gbogbo gbogbo do me na ko chiere ke ma tru aro ado vere ma fi echia ha de gerel kawe treta ko ba za o kulo bo imo to fa fidi alo ya pota nimanga so makulo mako ko kun lamiro mo anya don tago na mo ya la baram ya ru ki to daru ko ki ana da kan ni kala
Kuyo. Lese tamia lebe na mia do kyo enu ma meka wezon le yeyi yo mo ela be kolera ela me wale gbegbe sia. Ni se anu mi efle kwa lebe na winton na gbogbo akole nwe afi sia. Na mia len kuda fi yo mi efle na wache kple kenke kple to yo du na lelo. Pe. O ma tu kolesi. Hello apameto. Nko kwa fine yo chwe.
Mara ku bi ya ni ga yo ko la bare mo bare mara ku na afa na bare ata bare na bu gram bira do ko ka ba sina tu na bira chuko kata nya ni ko ya e ko re ni me to biro mo ni ni so biro le ko ji ni awo because bira na o kwa mo ni na ke la chuo asiko ko ga ni minti akobota te ni mo be yana kala ya ka kore mo ko ya mo ko mo ni me pa it's almost the mama come back for them. Some of them are jabber, the reply, go for tomorrow day. Your coach, very free. Then you will. At the money.
Akbe adon. Okay. Ato adon mi akowunu.
Menyo yata environmental health tole mi agbo no pona desigbe atana wanya kemiwa va adan kekele wa dekli ameyo hele niwa abeduyo mehe obechi khona ingbata afoji dodo melewa ni le dodo wa le afodo de na alternative nke afoji do wa ko polytank akode eduome be wanye receptacle na afoji maka nye block wa do de mebe echi atande block emo ta one ngome kukure wa pi ameyo hewa na polytank so be wa ton a wade wanye na afoji do menono ta no nya daingba kenya ko de me ko gbugbo chonu ji franco afoji ano eme kemi mi abetemi ano dedede abelo jajra le moto pli bofo pli vie ko fofefle anyobe nya petemi ase nu gomebe nya chemia achina me yokele no jra be nu kele jrare menyo sigbo abelo ndudu onyo o ma fle akadeo zodemia efi hemia megodo ni fle nelia menye tefe hemia katon adeo Nancy Bowatanfle akode silver beko akode joji jo hoho ale ko nugbagbede si ame helowin akuga keni abenye fita mele do ale moto edolowum ejode kemele gbonyo ni mafla bolo abako akode joji o ta nuke bowo hia yebe ame yo gbomi la bolo oflele mi chinabe no ya bolo hofe la bolo mela gbode no nano de raba menawe abe no va wa fede no kwe o menyo kwasin to wa kolo ele raba metado gbode gbele raba megbe tawe ame ihele dugbe krai ni me defuwe watanle de raba me ko makwasi ade leme afe ano eduo ele abe no de raba ma fo wo yi dupe kra me krasi o ho wo le kale raba me krasi amedo wa nenenema ovasi menyo gake instead no enu me ho de kona che ezo ka gba sikogbe afa no ka anodudu e ma kata ena mo no popo be dolele kuyo na demi afa la me e do de wa la me cry ma wado abela cholera ha we he le ga popo veto megbeko wa po ento edo no na lamena mi glenu edo wata na wo fu ihe no lamena okrache awa nka abobo benu vide ejanko efuonge nuvire ko wofu na problem na gbegbe gede o jona de miaji mekpoda jesi cheba here nu gbo ya ocho ya tabelele na miado krio belele na miafo gologu me belele na miafo ndudua ele vevede ta ehiaba nino ewa po awa ni alebena miado krio
okay. Okay, novi torola vavao abaleke wento elesema obe jadrado leveve na gbe eyatanene jadrado na gbe agbe ha ano ebe agbe kadidia amento hene eyatanene dibi ano dedie ne makukaba makafra ekuya elena mikata kakea nene jagbagba trasle dokun afe apeto Yesu Kristo ye yinyeto benava na yi kake ekudo ya nyekuna pokpokpo sometimes many apeto Kristo pe alo Yesu Kristo pe yo deka yo dodo yo
no dodo na mi
ato doko myato myape negligence myape deke macho na men na myadokyo enana be nyekuna pokpokpo sometimes eyata nyele boblo be cholera outbreak ya hele Ghana so far 16 regions 5 regions recorded the outbreaker. I'm saying no careful. Meow vivieto yo la cra. Ela be asio me petemi le no fletua asio pete yokla adudo. Egbekui yokla dudo. Nyato mienya bola ho afisi afin. Eye nene bi afle no alenku de tefe ke na afle no hanle. Ele vevede. No dudu dralao shobao ameyo dana wache kenke pe no kulo won. Pleto de moto peti abe na lenku don. Gota to wento na kobe gota to tututu. Gota vudan. Omekona de cover gota to the viola cyclode chimela fuma ole ndo jujura wentona le no akene le ple because do wa meta nyato agbeka didia amento gene jagbagba na lenkodo wondudun fifilaya akutu peya mango enu yokatan ka family dudu kleto fruit o obemi aklonwe especially vegetables so cabbage, carrot, lettuce, kondo pleto, eneva flea. Gota chiu, ame oko le doma wo, pete ko le wo me. Ma upa menweve takumye lagbe. Ta nene uka flea. To kwenye be na ko jechi na kle. Wento na klonye me ka ko echi deka na ko de container me. Na ko cabbage na klevo, na ko lettuce deme, na ko carrot deme, na awo. Klo cabbage different echi na ko fungbe klo cabbage klo lettuce cucumber de se de klo chi. Kakini ne kopete propose ka dolela ne men no pete krapone ole de kan do ma hime level ya kakini ba men na velia e ya ta mia no careful mia no jajede mia dra mia fe community o mia gbodo mia vi yo ye school a na tenu ya danu de o container me na de vie instead of wa no bubu do le school pleto a no no plele moto pleto wa akodoleleve ana we nto ha de vie ajedo akona o we nto ha akwe de vi bubu ha wa akwe e ya ta do da si let me katamiasi abe Ghana to come view so that we can keep this cholera outbreak. Make a jokpo allo after COVID-19 a yellow cover. Eyata nyakana ko unu nami Madam Eunice Joan. Tie. Tie how ke dem tie Africa ocho a compound name become a tie and Jagli.
The tie Jagli tie nye ntonko jagle nya peto nyonko
jagle nya peto nko tie just tie sigba ko nye nko a e komede
mapo me gbe kwa de
akpo me okay no problem okay
to ma va vivi ma ya sala
Madam Eunice Joan tie Jagle Greater Accra Health Promotion Manager, Ghana Health Service. Eya fe nkone se evakpedemia as a special guest for today, and the topic was cholera outbreak, ways to protect ourselves and our community. Eya wutumi ponche ye wo fi anumi gede. Obenya setwa menye abakayo. Pede kwa nekole nuwo na obe.
Mi jagbagba mi kpo ebe. Miaƒe agbele, miaƒe asime.
Okay.
Le miaƒe kɔdzia, miatɔ nye be ni mi kpe ɖe ŋu no zu be dɔlélia edego gake bena de dɔlélia ɖa ele wo ŋutɔ wo kpɔkplɔ te. Ta miawɔ miatɔ sinu be miaxe mɔ ɖa dɔlélo be woatasi mama ɖe mia dome be makabu mia viwo, abu mia srɔ̃wo, abu miaƒe lɔlɔ̃tɔwo be miaƒe dedenɔnɔa anye nu yi xaxe ŋgɔ yi kpli yayra geɖe ave na mi. Mi le be na mia ɖokuiwo, mi klɔ asi, mi dzra mia ɖokuiwo gbɔ ɖo. Na ame ɖe le ŋɖe wɔ axe menyo ɖe. Te ɖe le bubu kpli nukeme na wa nuka na tsi ne be megawuio. No hia be ame ɖe ne se ne ƒo nu ne ɖe dzagbagba na gblɔ ne na na mi ne ƒo nu ne be nu yi ho wa le he menyo we atrɔ sigbenɔ be mia pete mianɔ dede kpli dzadze nyenye me. Cholera menye ya ɖe ɖo ka ke dɔléle vovovowo le he mi le xɔxɔ tso nu yi mia nɔewo gbɔ.
Okay. Menye cholera dedo. Menye cholera dedo. Ke bon dɔléle vovovowo le mi xɔna tso mia nɔewo gbɔ. Eya ta ele gbɔgblɔ na be mia ale be na mia ɖokuiwo le miaƒe dedienɔnɔnyawo me elabe enuwo le dɔléle vovovowo le ye miaxɔ eya ta miale be na mia ɖokuiwo egbe ƒe cholera outbreak topic ya mia kwese da fi 7:14 p.m. Top Radio 103.1 FM Authentic Mama Dunenyo Bobobo Show penko semnele mia yiji apo kaviade mia kadu hafi mia yiji pele newspaper headline segment ni we jole Ghana de come peta kakadika va tondo makole messages o ha na me eya ta me yodo mia pe messages o da alom ezongo mi le do dagbe a number 0244 066752 0244 066752 Makle message so ha na me miawezo miawele toji na ye fifi afi never tune in batro modo top radio le top radio 103.1 FM papa la oji le authentic mama emefa pen kosen kle dunenyo bobobo show miato se hayada
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Haya, Echo King Solomon, Bobobo Group, Talk about King Solomon, Epen Cosem Nelceda.
No vivo. Ipe tonye ne miase agbenya vinyewe.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
Oh, me.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Authentic mama, the 103.1. Authentic mama, the 103.1.
Hey, Baba, what you do? Make change Shakara State, make I hear the program for Top FM. No, say MFA do on air, MFA authentic.
I'm Isaac Williams from Togo, and I only listen to authentic mama, the only authentic mama, MFA. Neho.
Okay. Enye akpo honu. Novi to the lava vow gandre minute blave vonyi 728 top radio 103.1 FM FM penko semnele ele tunenyo bobo boklenya juju na penko sem eya kwenye miape akpo honu. Lano sia lano majejio mebedo e papa la sese te yemie bedo e yata lano sia lano eke wacho de miawo ebe majejio King Solomon Bobobo Group top en kasamnele no vito dolao ye ya tebe manana nyani we jele kosra mepeta kakao newspaper headline segment emiedo Okay, no vito la mi we popule ma bumona ha be na kagere me ha adoha ne wo no to ape ma wo no pele ha e ya ta enya jojo gbanto onye be abeleke mi enya week ma enugede oyi ti gbanto onye Koforidua High Court orders arrest of Akotia MP Honorable Ernest Yakumi for contempt. No vito la le kosra ma mi sebe Koforidua High Court Ena order be wale Akotia MP for Akotia Honorable Ernest Yakumi de susu de cavadeta no katabe wale le akobibli alo ehobibli keva yiji 2020 for pe election kemi wa tepe o gede o le Ghana de koma enya bakude MP ado alo akodada unti la fido ye Akotia ha the same thing ejo la fama eyata enya eyi court le court ya pe yima court to ona nyanya be South akpepe menola be ame yokata enyakudobo unti alo constituency yokata enyakudobo unti pleto ho enyawo court pleto a melebe wa aswe them in alo ava parliament abe yova yova jedogomo eyata wona South akpepe menola onunola onya ke mi sebe Akotia MP Honorable Ernest Yakumia eya klepe minority o seto eye wo so in Akotia MP eye wo le South akpepe me abe Akotia MP ene MP na Akotia to ene le edowo ke nwuchua enya court a ime okonya yi court alonya le court oba ponu chonwuchua ona order be wale MP ya elabe ona agbanle South akpepe mebe melebe wa anofimi hadel elebe enyana wa wonya for le court wa chonya me akpo nya tefe enya dujilo meduji ka keseto eyata wona be wale ne wana ekpovito wale eye enyama wa wunya anu hafi nenyebe oduji alo konu me he onyo a wa idoji no finya sala eya nyenya jojo gbanto ekejo ye minority MP o mekpojijo MPP dunya heha o mekpojijo betova press conference like bablobe high court alo Koforidua High Court judge was biased and things like that pleto no fo be ele nudo wala fama no vito do lao eya nyenya jojo gbanto nya jojo evelia nyebe National Education Forum has been held in Ho. Abeleke mienya miape duplola His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edongbelefe campaign message mebe na eva na eduji heva ya agbugbo atro asile miape school de nya yo unti aleke school de penya o free SHS penya over zubasa miape curriculum issues over zubasa leke de vio agbanle person strong alo agbanle yo de vio asron enugede o subject o kle topete vazu basale Ghana ya jagba ana ado ameyo oduto na suku de penya o ame yi onye anucho school de defenya bontia na eva ya aponu ya popobonu wa butame wa dengle akpobede nuka wa gbogbo atro asile Ghana fe school de defenya bon ha no vinya salao Duklola His Excellency Eduji eye efe mgbe dodo a eleji wo pepepe eyata eba eko emon popo uncho le mia Ghana dikoya me ye popu educationists amado yo dutona school de penya we mia si opete ame yo dunya heha yo alo individuals yo amedeka de kayo nya no cho school de denya wale ke wa we school de penya wa gbogbo adodo le Ghana dikoma emia si opete eye okoko yiho over 2 days conference adela fama o dongle oponu dongle de susugede aleke wa trust le mia pe school de penya onti be school de penya o le Ghana dikoma especially free SHS collector yo wa gbogbo adodo anyonwede awu aleke o le fifilai enu ekonye challenges o kuhiyo le school de penya onti collector wa akunume e wa do de go akpoleke wa solve alo wa achi kuhi ma onu be school de penya o le Ghana dikoma ano mo de kaji eye wanyo todo lava vao eye 2-day National Education Forum making yijile ho en de ka kwa vivi na menye be eye me ko wo enu ya eye me wo forum ma Omekwe Kumasilo, Omekweva Accra, Lo Afideka, Okwe Amunutu Ame, the capital city of Ho, Vota Serene Hotel, from our Wale. If ya be, Niape Duklola ya, ele bubutohe de eviobon alegbegbe. Etibe ya na evetuko, Bele Ghana tuko wa nyebe, eviewa, nyele tefade na enuka, school de defenyao. Nanyebe etidudu bubu ade wanya anye wakwa ikumasilo wak beyole wole gen lo kofori akle kepkos kakia Duklola ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama enu ikwe vivi na mucho de doya ombe mekwe ya fiareko ela be school de penya wa le Ghana dikoma amese melebe wanye be amunutu ameto miawe die school eye miape school de penya ha elengo eyata no ko forum ma aloko takpepe gama pukuko ya munuto ma elete fe pepe sigbe lebe wano sigbe tututu lebe wano edude se de nenye koko penya wa lebe nko ekumaslapo na onye nu ya wako ifi sigbe tutu lebe wawo na dukoma amesem na kpo ebe they are very important alo region they said they're very important eyata evivina nye particular be over 2-day National nuka Education Forum ale amunutu ame eye o wele ho oko amekpepe vovovova eye eveto yo dutona school de denya ofete okpe ocho tefetefo ejububu omova eye ova na obosusu eduklo ha aleke wa kotrasle education alo Ghana first school de denya unti le Ghana dukoya menovi to the lao His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Duklola de jipona mi obe enusiano eke nume kukude siade eke wawo eye wa de susu ngle yo wa de eye wa ko susu nyado via no ko susu ovena ya hwe eye ya ko de dowo wo me be Ghana fesku de denya ona gbugba adodo no vito do la onya jojo eveliama ekejo le amunutu ame ncho nya jojo etonle anye be Niape Duklola uncho ha ekako Council of State Members so wamebla etonvoda ke eko dodosi le presidency eyo biacho si be wanye adaundola nyeo na jidudwa alo jidudwa be adaun yo adona ya ko eko dedo me abe Ghana dukode na yingo Ghana nanyo na mikata eyata eko edoda sina Council of State Members so eyanto tia mado eye region desia de tia amedeka de kawa yanto ha tia state men and women ado kokpedo opeto 31 a number yawenye Council of State Members so adaundola na Duklola adaundola na Duklola if I do over here, I'm all about Council of States, Pedro Macrame here, elabe egako le dudu, omele Adam Papa de Kedona Jidudra, Kakea, Yapeduklola, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ebiacho, Eimo Kodo, Dosi, Ebiacho Sibe, Susu Ekele Dumevio Sibe, Council of State members, someone another ke war Gakohola, a mayo yele dokos dosia. Now approve Ghana to wrong, but what would do? I'd rather down ye nai. Be ya couple to call ya ba me semana kwedi si be de ehia be adown dollar na no jidudu alo du plo hasi no $2 enya jojo evelia tonlia Kenya jojo mamlelia mag blonye be National Communication Authority NCA mutua ekemia novi feto nka Sam George Helenua enabe o shut down 6 radio stations amadado o mele agendu amo o le tepete for region bubu brother half of Northern Plateau o shut them down o close them down o tue no kata o tuo dodo gbanto nyebe adewa eyo le Northern region particular fama o le open radio stations call amo wo be enuka basa ekeleji le Northern la fama ekaleji la fama alabola radio azan call amo enuka enufo na mo ba mo ava no nugbegbon wo eyata otu bubu ado ha elebe sekle dodole na abe radio station ne a elebe sekle dodo efe ado lo lebe non keke efese afekleto Nemelehe wa ba a close of a radio station. Ole operating without a valid frequency authorization. At the one a secular do you play a gayo le one okay Leticia Lopez Fena NCO Melehe collector wa e wanna be watan waba at 2 radio station. Hey, Joncho. Eyata 6 radio stations like Ghana to call ya menye gen le dububu alo region bubu a otue be o maka wodo hado ya wonye nya jojo yo mekove now pedeko nyakala sio abedume vn tonya yo ne se pedeko ne na bia hana meve yom le 0303944864. It's time for phone in segment of the show. Newspaper headline phone in segment ya dosu su block pedeko na bia hana meve 0303944864 allo 020-376-9562 020-376-9562. Hello, I'm Danto. Wait. Marako Jing.
Your parliament, every person is election, every person is bananas. Let's go watch it. Come up pass up, only Benya Mati. Let's go watch it. I got a parliament, you can hear Kumia. Let's go watch it. I got a parliament, no more Gomasomu. That's what you give up. You give them a tattoo, a barco. I'm not going to parliament, you come up here, Kuma Derema. Because when you are bashing at the parliament, I don't know, assemblyman. Talare yo corona me ikenye get violence back on it. And we are police na positors na police na no pass na kereme. Le kojo afiri for ya kumite dereme kanu from afi baba yali asesiafito.
Enye do aya be fiafito senyanwe enye MP ko dakona kaka ko dadala o dane a o le NDC to le egbogbobe figure ke okpo a low result e ko ni amenye nene wa nota enye ya le court kake ya o declare be eduji kake okonya ko ikota court ogbo na be alogbo na se ota pepe meto be melebe ameyo kata enya kudo fe result nwa no se ota pepe kake se to ape dokana meve
maybe anda kata kata egbogbo ayi maybe kana la bar de so kata
ape hello apemeto
no
efonya jo free letoji
no do ma pocha botana do kola be abubu gane be manyang ya amu yo si to me ha wonya amankuta dakpere ya anti kunya nwa magebe anti sito amo patapa ma kunya na nyebe anti sito magebe ke na moto fo moto o fura ganu kanu to fo le ke ya ma de le ko to da ide nya ba anya le wi ma de bo na mo ala ba me sia mo su na u pon ko na gbara ma de bo su anu de ba ko ta na wu su all the money or the government.
Okay, akpe amevele toji.
Nina idita to kata kwenye puma. Lo nyoto kata ko ta ko le nyaji.
Akpe. Hello, apemeto.
Odo.
Nko klafine yo chwe.
Odo ko afine.
Umiele toji efo.
Gana se kuma e ku bele sino udo. Ta o ke do na ke ku sino udo ya jini le menye ala ko ko diri amara mo ko gba ala me tinilo sino udo to mo.
Pe amevele toji.
Ba to dina Mr. Bright. Odo wa unto FM.
Okay.
Evele na so e vinyo.
Akpe wa se. Yomle 020-376-9562. Hello, apemeto.
No mommy, I can't find her.
Outalo. Look at your name.
I can call you. Come here, post for the children. Shima.
Dance. Miele toji.
Nina kunyebe choko ya bebanti. Nyanti long dupe ale kinya zolo mina mama. Ikebe de na tena ya fana ni ka chukwa na ko de nyanti lo mo be aba da fana le chomo. Ala nyanti nyalan ku ni ko ni long dun siba. Afi amo kama.
Bena wo ha. Amevele toji. Okay, hold on.
Na banto. Ema se tena ya bibi.
Okay.
Tu asi. Abo foncho.
Okay.
Na bla bando.
Okay.
No, ahorita me dice mucho
kata wase. Hello, apemeto. Hello. Ewe son call klafine yo chwe.
Oga be kafi ado.
Enu pocho.
Ashoma estate.
Ekumiele toji.
Na mama be se be look kai jo afi ozuwe ale ma tom gele se ike mo tom gele ko kata.
Okay. So takpekpe me oti ebe wa yi kakea enya keheva efe jidudu ahunti ona wonya be ele court block kakea ese total ese eto ose alo minority to se to ye ona ono afama. Okay. Amevele to.
Kele beno metona minority bibu akata yi.
Ya ma ye high court level water mi akpeleke wa wonu da.
Okay.
Okay. Evele toji.
Na bia hana danye ebe kwede patient gebu ele peki apetile. Let me go to the call kata.
Kata wase. Hello, apemeto. Hello.
Yeah.
Away on call klafine yo chwe.
Yeah. Hello, good evening.
Good call klafine yo chwe.
Owen never me to alage.
EG.
Yeah, maybe he can not go to ni Mohana Moku Ebani Edginam. I'm a son of NPR, Edwin now, Mama Senator Dacona NPR. Now, not ceremony in the 4 years. I look me NPR, no NPR. Look for me, I can certain now for 4 years. I am not Kabiji.
Oh,
yeah. Coming up, blood pressure, then side, not going up NPR because maybe you go. President Jabe was the new time. You the people are not familiar. Oh, the coming now, the coming now, President.
Okay.
Yeah.
See. Hello, apemeto. For Peter Dryer. Akpe anya Palestine tode.
Oh, Palestine only lo.
Akpe mi awele toji mi ajo.
Yo, how will it be? Yo. Akpobe anya okata de na go parliament nyama o ha. Akpe ani ga ko ebubure ko ala be
ɛsɛ ifia ɛfia ɛlɛ nyanyana Amerika agɔdian sisile anuma sɛ ɛgbɛmɛ nyaduama kɔfɛ bubɔ ɛkó nyabubu kɔ ɛtsɔrɔ ŋuti kple subɛ ne ema na akɔ ne mi katã ba lo le be ne wò de ta eyi me nya sɛ miatɔ ɖo gbɔn be nkafi wo ɖe mɔ wɔ ge ɖe me kple nyama wɔ menye be didididi wɔƒe lo alo avu be mexe mɔnu medegege ɖe mɔ me nye teƒea ƒe enyansi do ta mi ƒe nya gɔme yi ɖe ye magblɔ be miaƒe sukunyawo hã voter regina yae titsawo hehe alo sukunya nufiala wɔ esugbɔ ɖe kue sugbɔ ɖe voter ƒe regina katã ta nenye be miagblɔ suku ƒe kuƒe nokokɔ yi ɖe fi ma anyi ame wo ŋku ne mo ta ɖeko miada se etso mɔkpɔkpɔ ya bi ha na wo ŋutɔ kple wo ƒoma eyina aƒetɔ Evans kɔkɔ nyagbama ametɔ miade loko kɔfa kati vivi be kɔsra na mi le.
Okay. Akpe. Hello.
Hello.
Ewe so apameto.
Odo.
Nko klafine HFO.
Eku den kwa nya ku bi sa bebe ba ntu abu.
Umiele toji.
Maraku nya ha dukura ma fushi abota ni da banto. Ebe ku nyo fo nyo ta ma na yide. Yo no wo na ma nyo fo ha na pa ba izama. No mo je.
Eya tutuma. Amevele toji.
Banto ma je ha na. Burama to ona bo Isaac Akuibo. Nya ma si ji banto e yibe tapa. Il est parlement.
Oh, Katawase. Okay. Hello, Apameto. Bobo Radio na Bobo Matane. Madakwe, no it's la fama Tamakuku ne.
Madame
Call Crafine your tree.
After all, you go to 5. Don't tell my book with the message now. Kata dokumenta pena lepe dukola lepe ibejudu eke wo moleji akere dokumenta kukune be amaya tia wona mega gba na kwa ma onye beto magaba bredo ni o.
Okay.
E kunye mi ekela tie magbo.
Okay.
La badi na ina wo ntogba.
Okay.
Todo la kata ikele todo top radio. Don't you know do you need to sonye la patience doku.
Medane anto halo. Hello, Apameto. Okay. Novi Todolao Akpenami. Mako last caller so that I can play music. Akowuno. Last caller kuma awu enuple ehanami. Todola vavawo. Kemia tomiele nya semde. Hello.
Hello.
Where's Uncle Crafine your chefo?
Say my koku amebaka for.
Lenu for. See my Marakumia told now.
We are kaka to time of a will of the below.
So long.
Kaka make the man being at the order at the name to anyway, will tell you. So to do quarter even a person. Academian told me after the Academia for essence at Kranian with the Yausen and of a police Yausen. Essence the border voters, Nkata will never a specific man nor a good job. I will say, Bully effort, let get off it, speaking by now. As I could then now, when I was ready to do Benya or FM speaking there as the top speaking there at Kra.
Yeah, be when now the baby attack me and Nebiam your friend Pio, but I met you, Nemia, collect your don't nabisia.
We got any other material, we are fighting. I'm a very
come say. Look at number
you. Maybe I won't tell you, but I name you for Mahama.
Okay.
Then they are going to fight now. Wow, that's what they are doing here.
Okay. You're not to the lava van. Novi toro la vava me dak pena misia imaka hoko sareke gandre minute bla atonvo eve 7:52 p.m. Top Radio 103.1 imaka hoko sareke ne program ya vivina me yemi tibe emia asponse awo advert le program ya jia ayo authentic mama le program amegbe number nye 0244 066752 0244 066752 and the bemia wo advert now le program ya ji ela bemia le live ne le live la fia mia no video le North America le Canada le US o kata okona a program live le Siana YouTube page aji Siana Facebook page aji tamie le clear live la America mia to ha le mia nkosem to afima mia le live le Top FM online on YouTube le Ghana la fia mia le live le Top Media le Facebook mia le live le Top Radio 103.1 FM le TikTok nene make mia le live le Authentic Mama fan page on Facebook eata nene ko advert vafia you can see be akpo market alegbegbe eata ne bia wo advert ple dunenyo bobobo show alo bia wo advert le dunenyo bobobo show akọ wo message alo ado ayo Authentic Mama le 0244 066752 0244 066752 manana nyebe we are getting to Ghana month match pedesia de match enye Ghana month efiao mama o mi ape queen mandeso queen kings o pleto beto gbova vagbe ava fonu na mi atano jajrado do mahin o fe fia nyonu alo fe fia inchu alo fia anomo jikle mi Ghana month ni katami celebrate our heritage our month ni awo wonama ni ape honorable voter regional minister the new one ekoti official as a minister honorable James Gunu ele jajrado wo be ava program yaji egbo lebe wa va fi kakea president kanabe wa a represent le kugande fianyonu gande kuleve afuma ayata metan le miato megbo ke ava le ye yinwe toji ayata this year me mark be me no amo covenant me le wano no me dynamic pleto miato what we need is sponsorship ayata nanami nene tibe yakpedemia onkle sponsorship nenya no view efo ade kele bank ade le do le restaurant ade le do miato amento yo pakpleko be akplekolo amade kema wena miolo abaleke fo ebia fifie be radio station so ole blue pleto wo be station de kemelewa menye nyepe babia ma nya mechichiode nya fe mp yo mi le popo mi bia gbe wo chonti a amechichi onye bi o pleto kenye a businessman pleto de oyo me le po be de enwa de kewa mahama ekenyi mi ape president e woto sunu mi kwa me yo pete otia as appointee so da gedenye eveo fifia eveto yo katan hemi ape min nka president hetia o fe doda sienya be wa popo bodo kwenu aba munu tometo ene eye wa wodeka abutame aleke wa hangoyi cover amunu tome nemye bobran hele bobobe mahama egbo engoyi cover amunu tome gba is a lie ameyo otia da fuma opedo da sienye be wa wodeka abutame aba munu tometo be wa hangoyi do afafuma eyata edoda silemiasi
Top Radio back.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ela gbagba je alegbegbe na munu tometo ela benene po appointees yo tia me makasho majority o tumia munu tome mi pole ko le bubu demia unda cha de zinene sebo yinade opele ho pleto yo a la munu tome kakea ameya eva la fodo penyu ade fia nya peto kwenye be miau ha be munu tometo we nemia odeka akpaside don be mia hengo yidove obene novela atijia akwasidoda ahenovia ne amunu tometo yo otia de ministerial position so ple CEO ple board oji ne wa gbe o ma promi amunu tometo video the view agede do mewa mekasiswe mahama igbodo ma ogbo eyata nyama mi no gble na mi no view yo nye a okwa appointment o bede no lefima de wa don ko bo no view ji lafe wa don ko veoji ne over ogbode o ma yonku medo that is our manye anye duty o le ba me se me na henu va fe akpe ya se tobe menye abaka wo nyu.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Jose, and I only listen to Authentic Mama, the only Authentic Mama, MFA. Now,
Afonyo Amos Akoli ebe authentic mama, the only authentic mama in the capital. Iko Akpe for Amos Akoli Mesenko Editi. Manfred Moni ebe, thanks for the education and the enlightenment. Most grateful authentic mama. Thank you. Apeto Mark Jebu ebe enjoying the program. Rough. Thank you. Assemblyman for Peki Chame. Honorable Mark Jebu aka FOU. Elagbaje Alec Begbela from next week, another powerful guest will be coming on the show. It's a topic adeke metemayo amyepenko slowly. You metemayo amyepenko hadel because nyemenyabe MPN va alome bubu kake. No matter how amabubu ade anomo me next week Saturday. Yet I don't miss the show next week Saturday again because you know this year has been packed and packed for you for your good.
I'm Isaac Royal Storm Dobe, and I only listen to authentic mama, the only authentic mama. Never.
Okay, novi todo la vava o medak penami aleke miedo to ganene ga aton se ga enyia makomon pokpo ya madak pena my producers outside the country in US Dr. Wonyo and also Fonya Steve the in America. They are my producers in America studio. In Ghana studio, Francis the Small Boy and DJ Classis. Thank you so much for producing me from here and outside the country. I am so grateful. My people, Sienna in America, thank you. I salute to all of you. Manana Nyebe, this year another Sienna is coming on. Every association in North America, they are going to have their convention in August, and you know Authentic Mama will be there again this year as well. So you can tune in every Saturday. None of you ose pre program, so you pona ona okata me dakpena me Siana members okata in North America. President Chachu Nyamadi me dakpena nyawele doji ke mele emode de na the pastors over the ho eleko kayo osoro debo eleko kagbena o come ezongo mele modena wa vayichi elabo fo ganyi wa ko maupenya ka venami over degbe fa maupenya osoro debo wa va adegbe fa maupenya Eyatamiato, don't go anywhere. They are the next to come. They are already set and they're about to bring you the word of God. So stay tuned from now to 9 p.m., even beyond. Yes, this is where I part away with you. My name is Authentic Mama Emefa. Eka next week Saturday. Keep living in the atmosphere of peace. Niato Reverend Obana, Ayiji play the word of God. Stay tuned.
and thanks for joining us on Chicago Tonight. I'm Brandis Friedman. Here's what we're looking at. A bombshell day in federal court as former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan testifies in his own defense. Our Spotlight Politics team on that and much more.
The kick on the way by Santos, and it is good!
The Bears end a disappointing season on a high note by finally beating the Packers.
It feels really good when the public likes them, or if I go somewhere and someone mentions, oh, I buy those all the time.
And a beloved lunchroom cookie being recreated. And now some of today's top stories. Former President Jimmy Carter began his final trip back to Washington, D.C. today for 3 days of state funeral rites. The 39th president had been lying in repose at the Carter Presidential Center in Atlanta since the weekend after his death at the age of 100 last month. He was honored by members of Congress in the Capitol Rotunda this afternoon. He'll receive a state funeral Thursday at the Washington National Cathedral, where President Joe Biden will deliver a eulogy. In a surprising move, former Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan took the stand today to testify in his own defense. In his first comments on the witness stand, the, quote, young 82-year-old denied trading his public office for private gain, saying, quote, when people ask me for help, if possible, I tried to help them. The jury also heard about Madigan's upbringing, presenting himself as a member of a blue-collar family in a home that was not nurturing. The bombshell decision to testify came today as the month-long federal corruption trial comes to a close. Madigan, along with his former right-hand man Michael McLean, are facing charges of racketeering, bribery, and wire fraud. They have both pleaded not guilty. A bill that would regulate the sales of hemp-derived products did not pass in Springfield. Governor J.B. Pritzker supported the bill that would have effectively banned all sales. He cited public health concerns over minors having easy access to intoxicating products. Meanwhile, Chicago Mayor Brandon Johnson fought against the measure, saying it would prohibit revenue that could help out the cash-strapped city. The weed-like substances are growing popular among young people, particularly high school students, and sales have been ticking up thanks to a loophole in federal law that allows smoke shops to sell to minors. Up next, our Spotlight Politics team on the strained relationship between Governor Pritzker and Mayor Johnson, right after this.
Chicago Tonight is made possible in part by the Alexandra and John Nichols family, the Jim and Kay Mabey family, the Polk Brothers Foundation, and the support of these donors.
Michael Madigan has decided to testify in his own corruption trial. Meanwhile, tense contract negotiations between the Chicago Teachers Union and Chicago Public Schools and a stalled bill reveals a rocky relationship between Mayor Brandon Johnson and Governor J.B. Pritzker. Here with all that and more is, of course, our Spotlight Politics team, Amanda Vinicky, Heather Sharon, and Nick Blumberg. Welcome back, team. Hello. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So as we heard, Michael Madigan testifying today in his own corruption trial, but there was some deliberation beforehand. Heather, what was that discussion?
Well, I don't think anybody really expected Michael Madigan to get up on the stand and start testifying. This is a man who is famously very sort of closed-mouthed and sort of he keeps himself to himself, so to speak. Now, because this was so unexpected, there was an issue out there. The government wants $2.8 million from Madigan, essentially to want him to forfeit the profits of what they say is this massive criminal conspiracy. Now, it's a little bit of a tricky law question, right? If Madigan agrees to sort of waive his right to not testify in his criminal case, does he also waive that right in the forfeiture case? And can the judge or the jury in that case hold that against him? The judge eventually said, you know what, we're not going to make any ruling one way or the other. We'll just move forward. We'll put a pause on that. But I think that gives you a sense of just how unusual it is for for a defendant in this kind of case to get up on the stand. And I think I personally was shocked to hear it sort of start with a recitation of his hardscrabble upbringing on the Chicago's Southwest Side, and his dad problems with alcohol and anger and sort of the pressure he faced sort of working his way up. Oh, and the help he got from his good friend Richard J. Daley. That
too,
Yeah.
obviously. Amanda, what might the defense be trying to show by putting Madigan on the stand?
I mean, I think some of what Heather just indicated there in terms of his difficulties growing up and what he achieved, drawing a contrast there, making him more relatable. You've heard so much about his being a vaunted, powerful, the guy really in the state capitol and all of Illinois politics. And this sort of puts it in perspective and tries to, I think, humanize him some. You also heard him flat out deny many of these allegations, which might raise suspicion. Remember, he only really has to convince one juror. And so get out there. It's perhaps something that they're saying is worth a shot. This is a man who, yes, despite his testifying that he is conflict avoidant, is clearly somebody who has seen more than his fair share of conflicts, waded through them, dealt with them, gone before some very powerful and important figures in his lifetime, didn't get to rise to be the Speaker of the Illinois House and head of the Democratic Party unless he was willing to take some risks. And so he's taking another big gamble here.
Certainly not by being any shrinking violet. Nick, is this unusual for someone in Madigan's position to take the stand?
Yes. Next question.
Hard
No, I mean, it is, as Amanda said, it's an incredible risk. And clearly this is someone who is, conflict avoidant, at least in public. Behind the scenes, he, was widely regarded as basically a master chess player when it came to, legislative and political strategy. So clearly they think this is not the kind of decision that's going to be entered into lightly. It's a huge risk for Madigan and his defense team to open him up to prosecutors to allow him a cross-examination. Now, we did see in the so-called ComEd 4 corruption trial that preceded this case, we saw two of the defendants testify on their own behalf and later get convicted. If you look back to 2011, former Governor Rod Blagojevich testified on his own behalf, also convicted. Certainly that's not necessarily a fully representative sample, but it demonstrates the fact that folks who think they can get up there and maybe persuade just one juror with their argumentative powers, it's a real gamble.
And I'd add, in each of those cases, though we don't know, I haven't spoken with Madigan about this, we have had his public statements and of course his plea that he really, I think, believes he did not break the law or do anything wrong, as did some of the individuals that you just indicated there.
Yep.
So that's a factor.
Yeah, sort of that personal, feeling that they have about this that motivates some of this, for sure.
So Chicago Teachers Union negotiations continuing. Nick, what is the latest?
They are still at an impasse. The CTU is still out here, arguing that CPS CEO Pedro Martinez, who will be back in court on Thursday, in this matter of whether or not he should be the one leading the district solely, in charge of these negotiations. They really see him as blocking the way toward a contract agreement. We heard yesterday CTU President Stacey Davis Gates say, we've created the conditions for them to say yes. There are still big sticking points with some of the non-economic issues, key things like teacher evaluations, like prep time. And they're also saying, listen, this is a matter that we need to settle before President Trump takes office. They'd hoped to do it before the end of last year. Obviously, as we all know, that did not happen, but they are really still stuck on this negotiation. We are set to get an update from the CTU at 6 o'clock tonight, so just a little while from now.
Mayor Johnson joins us yesterday on Monday, where he defended the decision that the board made to fire CPS CEO Pedro Martinez. He also rejected the idea that he's working on the behalf of CTU. Heather, what has he said about this issue?
I was really struck by sort of his position being completely in line with CTU on these contract proposals. And what's interesting is that why isn't there a deal then, right? If the mayor and the union are in alignment, what is holding it up? Why are there starting to be whisperings about teach-ins and labor actions? And I think that part of it is we don't know what's going on behind those closed doors. But the fact of the matter is there's not a pot of money to cover these contract, costs. And it's going to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe tens of millions of dollars. But it is a really strange place for Chicago politics to be in. And I don't think anybody is really quite sure what to make of it and sort of what the sticking point is. Now, it's clear that CTU sees sort of Pedro Martinez as sort of the big bad guy, right? They're sort of casting him as the impediment here. The board has the right to approve a contract. They're not allowed to participate directly in those negotiations now. Will that change after this week's court hearing? We'll have to see.
Yeah, but if there is perhaps some daylight between Mayor Johnson and the CTU, this could be an instance of Mayor Johnson coming from, outside of city government. Obviously, he had experience on the county board, but a lot of time as an organizer, now he is working as an elected official and he sees what it's like on the other side. We heard Stacey Davis Gates yesterday saying, we're not the fifth floor of City Hall. We're not the mayor's office. Don't look to us and assume that we are automatically in line with one another.
Okay, so a bill to regulate hemp products, though. Governor Pritzker has backed this bill. It is stalled in Springfield. Amanda, remind us what this legislation is looking to do.
So, this is not new. This has stalled for truly years. There has been an ongoing discussion about how to deal with these intoxicating hemp products, which are in a sort of legal gray area. And there's near universal agreement that something has to be done, that there should be regulation. It's just a matter of how far to go. The legislation that the governor has embraced that is, by the way, dead. New General Assembly will be inaugurated tomorrow, so there's no chance of this having a revival, at least anytime in the near future. It would essentially, some of these businesses say, put them out of business completely. And so that's where you're seeing some pushback.
So Governor Pritzker, though, he did weigh in on his relationship with the mayor today. Here's a bit of what he said.
They don't reach out very often, and it seems like they don't have good relationships in Springfield. In part because they don't do the outreach that's necessary. Maybe in the time that he's been mayor, he's called me perhaps 5 times.
What's prompting this kind of reaction?
Yeah, ouch. That was not an off-the-cuff statement. I mean, the governor certainly intended to make those remarks. And this is, I think, not necessarily surprising. There is been recognized that Johnson is not beloved in Springfield, doesn't have those connections. He's had turnover within his office. But for the governor to say it so blatantly when typically you just kind of have them say, yeah, we're Democrats, we all get along, we try. I think it is frustration that you had Johnson at the very last minute enter these negotiations. Pritzker went on to say that he does not believe that the mayor should take responsibility for felling that legislation. As I noted, there is some true back and forth at the heart of the matter, but his inserting himself last minute, not appreciated by the governor's office. This is most certainly a power play, and I think portends some rough things ahead as negotiations come forward. The mayor has a lot of asks out of Springfield, and Springfield facing its own budget woes.
Yes, some of those asks he discussed last night, not getting too particular, but more money, basically. That is Spotlight. Amanda Venicky, Heather Sharon, Nick Blumberg. Thanks, gang. Up next, we unpack the Bears season and look ahead to next season. There's always next year. It's become a common refrain for a whole generation of Chicago Bears fans, but some were dreaming of the playoffs this season after notching a few early wins under rookie quarterback Caleb Williams. But a 10-game losing streak dashed those dreams and cost head coach Matt Eberflus and defensive coordinator Shane Waldron their jobs. Now, Bears fans find themselves in a familiar spot, contemplating another season of failure and hoping for a better future. Joining us now to give us his take on yet another lackluster season is James Big Cat Williams, former offensive lineman for the Chicago Bears. We were just talking about how it seems like we're having the same conversation every year.
It's ridiculous, isn't it? It just seems like the same stuff keeps popping up again and again. Not making the right decisions as far as coaches are concerned, then having to backtrack and start all over again. And the process for starting all over again being a little flawed as far as the way you're supposed to bring people in, the way you're supposed to set it up. Because now you're looking at a team that's going to have a first-time head coach coming in or a new head coach coming in, and he's not going to be sure about the longevity of the GM that's bringing him in, which is going to bring up a lot more questions. So it's a process, but like you said, I feel like for the last several years, we've been having the same conversation at the end of the season.
Like Groundhog Day. So let's talk about Sunday's game. Not only did the Bears break that 10-game losing streak, but also the 11-game losing streak against the Packers when they finally beat them at Lambeau Field. What are your thoughts on Sunday's game?
I was happy for them. You know, I did not want to see them have to go into the offseason with an 11-game losing streak, with a loss on their mind at the end of the season. So for them to be able to get that win against the Packers, it was good. I was proud. I was happy for them. I was happy for your interim head coach. I was just happy for the entire organization because they needed that.
Overall this season, you know, when you analyze what we've seen from the Bears, you know, the season started with so much promise to end miserably. What do you see there?
I see that this coaching hire is going to be very important. This coaching hire is going to be something that either they're going to need to ride for the next 8 to 12, 15 seasons, hopefully, or they're going to go back another 10 or 12 seasons of doing this same thing of bad football. And I really don't want to watch that anymore.
Wow. Yeah. So a major Chicago fan saying, yeah, I don't think I can keep this up.
Yeah, it's hard. Don't get me wrong. I bleed blue and orange, just like everyone else who has played there. But you see the things that are going on this offseason. And like you said, it's Groundhog Day. I feel like we've been here several times before, and I'm not sure what's going to change. I have hope, but I don't know how much.
So the Bears lost. There were 4 games that the Bears lost on the last play of the game. Is it possible that, you know, that their record is actually better than or that they're playing better than their record shows?
You are what your record is. They had opportunities to get things done, whether it be mishaps by the players or by the coaching staff. I think everything broke down around them as this season went on, and that's how you get to that 10-game losing streak. Everything breaking down. It's not just the players, it's not just the coaches, it's that entire building that needs to go through a mental, physical, whatever overhaul to figure out what's wrong, what needs to be repaired, how they get things aligned, how they move forward in the proper way.
So obviously a tough rookie season for quarterback Caleb Williams. Here's what he had to say after the game on Sunday when asked what needs to change for next season.
I think my role in that is being able to see where I can grow, whether it's on the field, whether it's off the field, whether it's in the locker room or anything like that. Maybe having less people around, less distractions, less time for other things, whether that's on the field and being able to decipher, things faster on the field, whether that's, being able to be more accurate, whether that's being able to have more game-winning drives, whatever it takes.
So what do you think of what he was able to do in his rookie season?
Well, I think just listening to him talk, he's been consistent all season. He has talked about the things that you want your quarterback to talk about. It has been more me than we when we're losing. You know, the things that I need to work on, the things that I need to take care of. And those are the things that he's talking about improving on. Yes, there are definitely situations where he could have thrown people under the bus, but he has not taken that road. And I think that's a good beginning for a young quarterback. So to watch him move on, I mean, he's done some of the things that we thought he was able to do coming out as a young quarterback, being the first overall pick. You look at him at the end of halves, you look at him at the end of games, the things he's able to accomplish. But then you also have to go back and look at some of the things that he's regressed on. Is that because of the line in front of him? Is that because of the things that he was being taught? You know, those are things that we won't know because we're not in that locker room every day.
A lot of names, of course, being floated for potential head coach replacement. What type of coach do you think the Bears should be looking for? What kind of qualities do they need?
Well, I think first of all, you need to bring someone in here who's going to take charge and who's going to stick to his guns. He's going to come in with a plan. When he first gets here, he's going to stick to that plan. The message is going to be the same to the players, whether it's year 1 or year 4, year 8. The message is going to be the same. This is how we get better. This is how we do things. This is how we go about, being a good organization. And it's going to have to change from the bottom, from the players, all the way up to the top. And they've got to figure out what is going to make things work.
Okay, so we know the Chicago Bears are not going to be playing in the Super Bowl this year, obviously. Who are you tipping? Who do you think is going to make it? Who do you think is going to win?
With the Bears being out and our division being so tough, I'd love to see Detroit be able to go all the way. I just don't know if they can because of all the injuries they've suffered over the last couple of weeks. But if during that week off they can get a couple guys back, I feel like they have a very good chance of getting there and possibly winning it all.
All right, pulling for the Lions this time, but only because
only because
we're nowhere near the Bears being even close. All right,
Exactly.
A very frustrated James Big Cat Williams. Thank you for joining us as always.
Thanks for
Appreciate it,
having me.
of course. Up next, how a simple cookie became a school lunch staple. Stay with us. You remember those buttery lunchroom cookies? They were a staple in hundreds of Chicago public schools. This simple shortbread cookie sold for a couple of cents for years. Joanna Hernandez spoke with an entrepreneur putting her spin on this classic treat.
How can you forget the 3-finger pressed butter cookies? The aroma of these freshly baked treats will take you back in time.
So this is where the cookie magic happens.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about what inspired you to make that classic lunchroom cookie that many of us grew up to love.
Yeah, it was very familiar to me, and a recipe kind of came my way, and I thought I'd try it out. And unsuccessful the first time, but the second time they came out great. And I've always sort of been an entrepreneur at heart, and I thought maybe I'll sell these.
Born and raised on the south side of Chicago, Cheryl Crockett says she still remembers the joy of biting into a lunchroom cookie.
Mom and Dad gave us a little extra money, to buy those. So we would be excited for Cookie Day because we could smell them from our classroom.
Crockett took her fond childhood memories and turned them into a business after spending 20 years in corporate America. She says her big career change started in her kitchen before branching out and eventually opening her own space in the medical district.
I've taken over a space and named it Crockett Cookies Food Venue. So we work with a couple of food vendors here, and then the other large part of this is where we produce the cookies.
Every day, 5,000 cookies are freshly baked here.
It starts with my mixer, who mixes on a large 80-quart mixer, and then we get them to a cookie machine that kind of cuts the dough for us, and then we do a little bit of handwork. There's quite a bit of handwork production involved with making the cookie too, so it's very personalized.
So we know the classic lunchroom cookie has some of those 4 simple ingredients: flour, butter, vanilla extract,
sugar.
And sugar. Of course, I can't forget the sugar. What would you say makes yours different? What's your spin to it?
Well, speaking of sugar, I think one of the things I wanted to do was pull back on the sugar. I really wanted people to taste the butter and the freshness. So there's sugar in there, but you really do taste the buttery flavor with my cookies because I pulled back. I took out some of the sugar. Yeah, did you want to try one?
Of course, I'm not going to say no to cookies.
Wonderful. And as you can see, the 3-finger print there.
Which is very important because that's the classic staple when you would go into the lunchroom. Mm-hmm. It's a 3-finger print.
3-finger print there. And so I packaged them this way with sort of a clear top so that when people go in the store, they'll see that 3-finger print. It brings back memories. It's nostalgic. And that's kind of a selling point. It makes people realize what they're buying.
Let's try this.
It's your turn.
I have not tried these cookies in a long time. I remember them.
Okay.
Let's see.
Freshly out the oven.
Just the butter. They're so good.
Thank you.
It has been 11 years since Crockett Cookies launched, but for Cheryl, the memory of securing her first account to sell her cookies still brings her joy.
I decided to try and get them into one Walgreens, and I went back to the same location, kind of threw on the old corporate suit, and I left samples for the manager. He wasn't there the first couple times.
Eventually, Crockett secured a meeting with a manager, a move she says changed the course of her business, walking away with an order for 200 packages of cookies.
It feels really good when the public likes them, or if I go somewhere and someone mentions, oh, I buy those all the time.
For Chicago Tonight, I'm Joanna Hernandez.
Crockett cookies are sold in 300 stores across Chicago, offering classic butter and peanut butter cookies. And that's our show for this Tuesday night. You can stream Chicago Tonight on our WTTW YouTube channel every evening and catch up on any programs you may have missed. You can also stream us on Facebook and our website. And please join us tomorrow night at 5:30 and 10. It's Inauguration Day in Springfield, a look at what's on the horizon for state lawmakers in 2025. Now, for all of us here at Chicago Tonight, I'm Brandis Friedman. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and safe, and have a good night.